What is up, A-Team? Welcome back. AuzSOME here. Hope everyone's having an awesome day, or not, depending on what happened. I hope it is awesome. And yes, that's really hard to say. I'm not going to lie. That's actually a really thing that's hard to say right now because the market is absolutely tanking. I'm coming on just a little bit early because as we sit here right now, the entire market is literally collapsing. Like, it's not collapsing, but it's definitely going down pretty hot and heavy right now. I will admit it's gotten pretty crazy, and I think it's time that we actually start to share this and just watch this chart go down. I mean, as you can see right now, Hedera literally at 20. XRP is about to break the $2 mark right here. This thing is the liquidations on the market are falling like right in front of our face. Like, it's crazy how fast this chart is going down. Honestly, kind of shocked by it all. I don't think this could be a good black swan event. You know what I mean? I don't know what else to say other than that. We weren't expecting this to continually fall out of the markets like this, at least even from an XRP standpoint. Here we are breaking down into the 1.9. This thing is literally like crazy, like pulling right now in the last hour. I mean, this is not, you can't plan for something like this. I want everyone to be aware that a lot of people are losing right now, even myself. I bought into some trades, guys. I'll be honest with you. I'll be honest. There's been some pretty good liquidations in the market. Even trades I bought earlier today, I'm down pretty good on. Trying to work my way into positions here. Hedera, dude. I mean, just today alone, my Hedera buy today alone is $18,000 down. So just realize we're all sort of going through this together. Okay. I bought Hedera today at the 24. Bought a pretty good bag of it, and that's continually falling down. So I just want everyone to be aware. We're all in the same boat here, okay, everyone? And just realize that this is you can't plan for an event like this. I mean, we can sit here and talk about it. We can sit here and have it come into fruition, but to say that it's going to continue to fall out of line like this down to the 2, we just reached back into 199. This is a pretty crazy event, and a lot of it does have to probably do with the tariffs and things like this. And look at that, dude. Look at the buy orders that came in. It just literally bounced right off that $2 and bounced up 10 cents just in a matter of seconds right there, hitting that $2 mark. Same with H-bar, right? H-bar came down. Look at this wick coming down hot right here. Insane, dude. This is just coming down. There's no level of support here. The next level of support for Hedera is literally down here at $16, $17. And this is again, kind of like, holy crap, what's going to happen here? $17. We got like I said, H-bar or XRP coming down. My $2 range is another buy opportunity right here. Came down hot off the 225, down here at the $2 mark. Next level of support for this is probably roughly around the 190, and then you're down to the 150 mark, 158, 145, somewhere in that ballpark for XRP. So yeah, things are looking a little crazy right now, I will admit. This chart's not looking anything like it normally would, right? This is not like, you can't even plan for this. This is uncommon. I guess I could say this is not traditional how it works. You can see over here, even when we had liquidation events over here on these ones, it looked nothing like this. This is like almost like a, you got to catch the dead cat bounce right now. And maybe people did catch it at that $2 right there. Maybe that was it. The $2 could have been it. It's hard to say. Like I said, when you go back and you look, this is the biggest decline since August of 2020 or August of 2024. This will be the biggest decline of any dip. As you can see right now, we're roughly down about 30, almost 37%. The previous one was about 36. Hitting that $2 mark right there actually puts us back around the 30, almost a 40% decline right there. So, I did put out that video today saying that I thought 43 was a little, could be a little hard to get. I said, yeah, the previous one was about 36, so I could see that happening. But the 40%, 41% is, this is unplanned for, and it's really hard to manage that. You know what I mean? So, especially if you're in crypto and you're a retail investor, just realize there's a lot of manipulation going on in the market right now. They're liquidating the hell out of everyone. Look at the charts right now, dude. 1.77 billion. I literally just posted like 5 minutes ago that the total liquidation events were at 1.2 billion. This has literally jumped from 0.22 billion to 0.77 billion in 5 minutes. 5 minutes. That's how crazy this is right now. Originally, it was like 450,000 traders. Now it's 627,000 traders that have been liquidated. And when I say liquidated, I mean they're completely wrecked. Look at the 100% rate right here. Look at the rate right here, guys. 100% rate going on right now. That's crazy to me, dude. This is a landslide. There's nothing that anyone could say about this. I mean, in the last hour, we had $588 million get completely liquidated from the market. Last hour, we had 1.01 billion. And then you can see just over here, I mean, in the last 4 hours, 1 billion. And in the last hour, 588 million. That's crazy, dude. Those are absurd numbers that are hitting the charts right now. Nothing that you can plan for in this right now, except that the market is literally, I mean, kind of feels like it's rug pulling right in front of us, right? Especially if you're new to crypto. Although when I say when in doubt, zoom out, right? We're up really good. I mean, from this standpoint right here. But if you're new to crypto, this is what a bear market feels like, dude. Welcome to the bear market of having a day chart just completely ripped out from underneath you. And I can see a lot of people are probably upset. A lot of people are down on themselves. Don't be down on yourself. Realize this will work our way back out of this. I just think everyone should just be calm about it. Keep trying to see the positive in wherever you're at right now, and just know that in this last this hour just hit, and we'll see how this next hour brings for us. We can see the 12-hour is obviously this hit around 4 o'clock, so you can see this 12-hour came down really, really hot. Our next one is about 4 o'clock in the morning tomorrow for the next 12 hours. So yeah, this is not planned. You can't plan this. Anyone that says that they plan, I mean, we talk about this, right? We talk about it going down to $2. We talk about it going to 225. But for it to blow past 225 like that, like it blew past 225, like it was nothing, guys. Like it was like Swiss cheese, dude. It just went right through the holes and hit this $2 mark and bounced back. I mean, H bar, it went down further. This is a new low. It hasn't hit this low. It hasn't been this low since December 1st. We haven't been this low. So you can see that these are some pretty crazy dips in the market right now. And I mean, look at this chart right here. I was looking at this just now. Look at this, guys. 20%, 29%, 21%. I mean, you go down the whole list. All the top ones are anywhere from 27 to 30%. Chainlink 27, Avalanche 32. I mean, it's just insane how bad these charts are in the last 7 days. I just want but I guess what I'm really trying to say here is that these things are going to eventually come back. Trump just threatened another 50% instead of 25%. Yeah, it's going to get wild, guys. Absolutely, it's going to get crazy. One positive thing to take from this is that at least we're diversified in our crypto. I hope that you're diversified because everything's in the red here. But this is really what I mean. It does kind of suck. It does see that President Trump to hold talks with Canada and Mexico tomorrow to discuss tariffs. I think this could actually help out, from a lot of things. But, right now, everyone's kind of feeling the pain of this. You know what I mean? They're feeling the pain of how the stock market, how volatile the stock market is. This is, again, you can't come in here with kitten mittens, dudes. The crypto market is crazy. And so, yeah, it is kind of nuts right now. I'm so nervous I'm throwing up. Yeah, it's part of the game, guys. I wonder what the catalyst this is. Yeah, free Canada. Yeah, we'll see what happens. I put a buy order for 190. Buy order for 190. Or yeah, 190s. I mean, it's right there, right? That's a 43%. I was sitting here thinking like, yeah, could it actually hit 190? I was like, man, I don't. It'd have to really fall out. We haven't created a new low yet. Obviously, the new low is right here, would be at like 190, which would be the low from this right here. And man, maybe it's gonna hit. So Adam, thanks so much for the $5, dude. I lost around 7K today. Not really, since I'm not selling. Yeah, you haven't lost. You only lost if you sold. So you're down. You haven't lost yet, right? You lose when you sell your bag. If you're in a spot trade, selling your bag is probably the dumbest thing you could possibly do. You try to work your way out of those when you have the opportunities to do so. If you're leverage trading, yeah, it's completely, you're up. It's completely tough, dude. Austin, man, you said don't listen to the FUD. Yeah, there's no FUD. Don't be fearful out here, guys. It's time to relax. You know what I mean? Come find out, come try to find these areas. It's again, we anticipated a dip, just a matter of how far it went, and this went pretty far, right? This is a pretty far dip, and this is manipulation at its finest. The good thing is, a lot of us here, we spot trade. There's not leverage trading on the table here, and so again, we're still in our positions here. It's not like we got out of our positions, and so that's the positive thing right here. Levi's losing his mind. Yeah, it's a tough thing, when you're losing money, it's tough to swallow, right? But at the same time, Trust me, dude. In a bear market, I've been down bigger than I have today, right? I mean, this is part of the game that you're in. Yeah, just take a deep breath. You guys are crazy. The last big shakeout. This is a big shakeout, right? We all know this was going to happen. I just didn't know how far, right? 225. I've been calling 225 for how long, guys? I said 225, and now we're down to $2, right? We're still dipping. We're still going through right now. It's still coming down to 199. It hasn't stopped. Like the bleeding has not stopped here for these shorts. The liquidations are literally coming in hot right now. H bar down to 19, man. Just by the dip. Feels like Brad Garlandhouse is about to shit his pants. Yeah, you know what's crazy is their escrow. I think they actually they relocked half of their escrow. I saw that today. So they robbing people. Yeah, they're taking liquidity right now. Liquidity is definitely getting taken. That's for sure. Original March, thanks so much for the $4, dude. $5. I've been waiting for the $2 since New Year's. Let's go. And if you've been patient, right? Patience pays off. If you're patient for the $2 mark, damn, 196. This thing is going fast, dude. Maybe I was wrong, man. Maybe I was wrong. Let's see here. Hey, what's up? Oh yeah. Sorry, I'll put sub mode on. Sorry, I'll put sub mode on. Fans saying it's too fast. So there's sub mode. Sorry about that. Bro, anyone was on the sidelines right now? Is that $2 or a G? Yeah, 225 was kind of where I was at, but I mean, this thing is literally, look at it. It's I'm on the 12-hour chart, and this thing is going crazy. Down to 194. We're gonna probably see new lows here. Man, maybe that video I made today when I said it would be hard to get to 190. You know, I said it could happen, but I think it would be hard to get to, and it's showing me up, man. Definitely showing me up right now. We'll see if we're going to hit this 190 marker right now. This thing is coming down. This is a day chart coming down like Swiss. Man, this is like falling knives. What they call falling daggers, right? We're still fine for this year. Settlement incoming. Yeah, there's a lot of positive things coming. It's not, if this was just like XRP, okay, it's time to fret, right? But it's not. It's the entire market. The entire market's coming down. And it's coming down like dominoes right now. All these, look at that, was 1.9. I haven't seen it come down this fast since we saw this last liquidation event over here, and it just reached a new low. So let's see here. Thanks for another live stream at the moment, Austin. Yeah, we'll work through this. 187, man. 187. Who would have thought that? You know, H bar breaking down into the 18s. Next level of support, like we've said before, is right down here at the right here at the 14 marker. And around the 18 marker right here around 17, 18 is a nice little support level. But XRP is coming down hot. Bitcoin, we're at another low here almost, which would be right around 89, which hit here back on January 14th. So we'll continue to monitor that. Ethereum, look at Ethereum, guys. Ethereum, I mean, looks like a complete ruggie. You know, this thing is coming down. You don't really see this too much from Ethereum. I mean, we're about to break into the 1900s for Ethereum. You know, we haven't broke into the 1900s in Ethereum since back here in January of 2024. Actually, no, it was probably roughly around December of 2023 was the last time that we broke down into the 1900 marks for Ethereum. But I mean, we're on pace right now for that. So yeah, this is very, very crazy to see. This is you can't plan for this, guys. You just can't plan for it. We can talk about it, but I mean, we're roughly down almost 47%. 47% at 177, dude. XRP just hit 177, dude. That's their new. That's a low right there. Almost 50% sell off from its high. If you got that dip, if you bought that dip at 177 right there, that's a good buy. Inexperienced traders pulling out. The big dogs are going to eat this stuff up. Oh, 100%, dude. This is the time to buy. I mean, these are honestly the times to buy. Don't be scared. If you're scared right now, like, then you shouldn't be in crypto. Like, these are the times you should be buying these up, right? Set your sell orders and just realize that these are going to come back. I just wanted you guys to understand that, okay? These things are going to come back. You should be buying up put these orders in and just realize they're going to come back. It's already bounced back. Look at this, dude. This person right here who bought this is literally up almost 10% on the swing right now, and it's climbing back up to the $2 right here. This is a 12% swing trade right there, dude. People are putting millions of dollars in here and getting the swing trade right back up here. So, yeah, the markets are looking rough. But, yeah, Travis, thanks so much for the one membership. Is it now a good time for the world to end? Nah, we're good, dude. It's honestly, this is I mean, traders like me, I kind of dig this. Like, I know that sounds crazy. I know we're all down. I'm down too, but I'm kind of like excited to buy into these things, right? These are the ones that you kind of wait for. These are the markets that you wait for. Sorry, I'm actually trying to make sure my buy orders went in here. Trying to make sure that I get in on my orders here. Just 1 second. Yeah, these orders are they're hitting right now. So you have to keep working your way in here. Doge Cash is green. Yeah, let me try to catch up. Sammy, thanks so much for the donation. Should I buy more XRP? Don't think it will be under 2. Yeah, well, it definitely hit under 2. I haven't even got to the comments yet, dude. I'm like 10 minutes behind here. So if I miss your comments, I'm sorry. The nerd, thanks so much for the $5, dude. What is the plan to help you average retail investors to get set up properly with lower prices before it booms? I mean, you just got to work your way into these positions. These are the times that you should be waiting for. And again, you can't plan it. Like I said, we can talk about 225, which we hit, right? Excited for that. But these $2 is the next marker right here, which again, I hit on for that one. So I hit 225, I hit 245, 225, and $2 right now. And I hadn't had anything below on this one right here. That's why I was checking my orders to see if I didn't have anything below on that one. H bar is the same way, right? My H bar hit at 24. I put another order in here at right here at 19.5. Yeah, 19.5, and it hit on its way down and bounced back up. So, again, you have to work your way out of these things. And I'm not talking like 10,000 each buy now. I'm probably putting like 2,000, 3,000, trying to get back into a position here. Good to see H bar, or good to see XRPs back above the $2 range right here. So that is a positive thing to see. Right here, $2 range. We're back above the $2 range again. So now back into this trade right here. We're going to build back out of this to the $2 and continue to build up. So thanks again for the donation here. Do you think H bar will survive this dip? Yeah, everything is going to survive the dip, dude. If anyone's out there telling you they're not going to survive this dip, like they're crazy, dude. We had this dip happen right here. If you want to see this, we had another dip right here. Let's compare these right here. From up here to down here was a 34% dip, right? And this is just a bigger sell-off event right here. Obviously, the markets decided that we were way oversold or way over purchased and decided to sell out from underneath us. So, I mean, right now we're down to 47%. A lot of people are buying these up and going to probably make a ton of money off this. I'm down 5K today and it's good feeling. Yeah. You got to be positive about it. Relax, bro. This doesn't seem to stop. It's going to stop. It's going to stop. It's going to stop, guys. I know it doesn't feel like it, but it's going to stop eventually. And we're going to look back on it and go, man, I wish I would have bought it this 179 marker. 199. Yeah, it's going down pretty hot. I'm going to try to catch up to you guys. Ollie, thanks so much for the two pounds, dude. I'm liquidated all of it. Oh man, I'm sorry, dude. That's rough, man. It's really tough about the liquidation side of it. Let's look at these charts now. We're saying 2.04 billion. So 2 billion, dude. I haven't seen 2 billion in so long, dude. 2.04 billion in the last 24 hours. I can't tell you the last time I saw a liquidation event of 2 billion. Not even this last one. This last liquidation event right here was not 2 billion. I think it was like 1.3 is what Watcher Guru put up. This is a big sell-off, guys. And we can look at the markets right now. The Asian markets are taking a hit as well. So are the stock. Look at the futures for tomorrow. 577 points down, 110 points down, and 531 points down just on the NASDAQs. And so again, I think the Trump tariffs have definitely shook the markets for sure. There's no questions asked about that. The markets have been torched. Yeah, Bitcoin dominance torched. Well, a lot of people remember their money into Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin is the one that moves the least, right? I mean, you go back and look at where these things are falling. Bitcoin moves the least out of all these because it has such a big market cap. Only 8% down. And I say only 8% down, but that's not compared to these. I mean, look at 32% down, 21, 32, 35, 29, all these blue chips. Look at Hedera, 37% down, 31. And these are all 7-day events. So, of course, Bitcoin's going to have more dominance because more money is going to flow into Bitcoin because that's it's going to have a less of a falling knife, right? We're not going to catch falling daggers there. We are bleeding. This doesn't feel like a pullback at this point. No, this is a I consider this a black swan event right now. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. This is in the verge of a black swan event where it's just like a event that you can't plan for. We talk about it, but I mean to have 2 billion liquidated in the 24 hours is crazy. You know, that's kind of wild. I mean, you can go look. Let's see. Let's see here. I bet you. Much was. Let's see here, Terra. I want to see if there's yeah. Yeah, there was roughly about in the first that's crazy. So the largest the Terra Luna one was that was a bigger one than this. This is pretty far to have 2 billion. That one had a lot more collapse in there. They had like 50 billion in the Terra Luna collapse. But yeah, that's kind of crazy to think. That was just in that token alone had that much. But 60 billion got wiped out of in the digital currency space during that event. So that was a real black swan event. I wouldn't say that was a black swan. This is not necessarily a black swan yet. It's just kind of crazy how it's turning this fast. You know what I mean? Katie, thanks so much for the $2, dude. I just found out today, and I just found you today, and I'm so glad I did. I'm happy you found me too. Thank you so much for the donation, and I appreciate you guys being here. And again, I'm trying to get through the chats to catch up to you guys because you know I'm that far behind. So if I miss some of your guys' things, I'm sorry, dude. Trying to catch up. I feel sorry for everyone trying to day trade, falling over themselves. Yeah, if you're spot trading, Jay, if you're spot trading these things, you haven't lost, right? It's the leverage trading that gets people hurt, right? So people that are in here throwing, you know, $10,000 on a 10x leverage and they're longing their positions, you know what I mean? Those are the ones that get hurt the most. But there's a lot of people out here that are still throwing shorts. Look at this, dude. My buy order coming in right now is already up, right? My $2 buy is already up roughly 5%. So that's not too bad. You know, my H bar order came in here at 19.5. I should probably put that on the chart here. 19.5. Let's see here. 19.5 is where I bought in. You can see right there. So even with this one, I mean, I'm not up a ton, but I mean, working my way back up, I'm up about 5% there too. So again, this might be a hard recovery, but I mean, we're going to try to recover out of it real quick. I voted for Trump. I should just stay with Biden. Nah, this is I don't think it has anything to do with it. Let's see here. If XRP hits 150, I'm using my kid's college fund. Dude, 150 would be crazy. Yeah, blame Trump. We should have just kept supporting other countries. Yeah, it's not. I don't think it has anything to do with politics here. I think this has nothing. This is the market correcting itself. This would have happened regardless, dude. It doesn't matter. The market's going to correct itself regardless of whoever's in office. Markets tend to do that. It's part of the game, and obviously that's telling us that we were in over purchase territory, and it's time to hold down. It's time to come down. But you can see all the charts are definitely down. I mean, the RSI is in the dumps. I mean, you can't get any lower than this. So, I mean, we're building back. Look at XRP back to 215. I mean, this is exactly it. If you got this dip right here if you bought this dip at 177, dude, you're already up 20% right there. This is the manipulation in the market that retail investors will always get screwed on. Is that these people have planned this, they waited for this, and it's working out in their favor. Look at this, up 20% already. If you caught this dip right here, if you caught this 177 dip, you were patient enough and had an order in there and bought this, you were already up 20%. Right now, I bought this at $2 and I'm already up 7% right now. So, you know, this is, again, you can look at the positive side of it. Yeah, I might be down from when I bought earlier today at 245 and be down right here at 225. And my average is probably right here. Tell you the truth, my average is roughly about, hold on a second, I'll tell you my averages. Hold on. Yeah, dude. I think my average is roughly right around 220, 219 is my average. 220, 219, somewhere in this ballpark. So, I mean, I'm almost out of the hole of what I created, right? I mean, I bought this one, bought this one, bought this one. Now my average is around 219. 219 is my average right now. And so this is almost there, dude. I mean, it almost came back up and hit it just a minute ago. So, you know, I'm not too far away from getting out of this trade if I wanted to. And I think this is going to come back even better. So there's always opportunities to work your way out of these spot trades versus in a margin trade. You're going to get liquidated really quick. I bought XRP 5 times a day. Yeah, I bought it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. You can see all my buy orders right there on the chart. And again, yeah, I probably should have been smarter and put one down here at 185, but I just didn't think it was going to hit below $2. I'm going to be honest. I just that caught me off guard for sure. And we were sitting here live watching it just completely go down and down and down. This was on purpose. The whales wanted the markets to drop to make clear leverage. Yeah, the whole goal of creating a crypto reserve is to buy crypto and put it into a reserve. Do you think they're going to buy it at the top of the market? You think the government is dumb enough to buy it at the top of the market? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. They're going to try to create ways to come in and buy it at lower positioning. Appreciate this, Sola. Stay with Austin all night. I need support. Yeah, we're here, man. We're here. I'm really missing out on this one. Yeah, it's okay, man. You'll get back in on this one. Trust me, this is gonna be a very volatile situation this next week, dude. We're in for a lot of volatility, unless there's something that comes into the market where it calms things down. Like, right here it says Trump holds to hold talks with Canada and Mexico tomorrow to discuss tariffs. So unless something really positive comes out of here, you know what I mean, like they come to a deal or whatever it might be, then maybe the markets will come back and we'll start to see a nice little rally back up. But look at this fair value gap up here at 269. This is on the day on the 12-hour. Let's see what the day chart's open for. Yeah, right here. This is where it's going to come back to. You guys are going to watch. This is going to pull back up here into the 270 range. We're gonna come back in and fill this little fair value gap up here, and then get back up in here into the $3 range again. I mean, it's going to happen. Same with the H bar. If anyone's in H bar, we're going to see a nice little pullback up here to the 26 marker. It's already coming back right now. So again, interesting to sort of see how this played out, right? Today was my buy order at 24 I bought, and then came down here and bought one at 19.5. So those are the two areas of which I bought. So you got to really, watch out for that kind of stuff. Let me tell you, I was freaking out, but you have such a lovely voice, so I'm nice and calm. Well, I appreciate that, man. Yeah, I think it's just really just be patient, dude. This stuff will come back. We've seen this before. This is nothing new, and it'll all work out. Austin, you think the bottom's in now? I think that it's hard to say. I mean, it's hard to project, right? But you hope that I mean, XRP came down hot, dude. XRP hit 277, guys. 277. I mean, I knew that it was going to come down. Just didn't think 177 was in there. Yeah, I hope that's the bottom, dude. We'll see. We'll see. I was hoping 225 would be my bottom. And so I based this off the law of averages, and my law of averages put me up here into this area. And then the deepest, I mean, this is the deepest we've had in over 6 months. 7 months was the last time we had this big of a dip. Look right here, August of 2024, August 6th of 2024 was a 34% dip. And so that's where I was anticipating would be our largest dip, was 34%. And if you actually pull the math on that, or pull the numbers on that, 34 puts you right here at 225. 225 is a little bit higher than that, but that kind of puts you where it's at. You know what I mean? So yeah. Let's see here. Hedge funds, new. Yeah. People are going to be the ETFs, dude. Come Monday though, these ETFs are going to skyrocket. People are going to start buying this Bitcoin up from an ETF standpoint. Just watch, dude. BlackRock and all them the ETFs are going to be we could have a flip flop real quick. I got 180. All right. Is that dude? Hell yeah, bro. Good for you, man. Yeah, the best part, like I said, the best part about spot trading, you can't get liquidated, dude. As long as you hold, and don't sell your position, you're good to go. It's the people that I feel bad for. Well, I don't really, again, it's part of the game. You can't really feel bad. I mean, it's just part of the game, right? You take the bet, and sometimes you win the bet, sometimes you don't. And right now, 2.07 million has been liquidated in the last 24 hours. A lot of that is leverage. That's all leverage trading out there, or people that also sold their positions. But I mean, a lot of us are buying and holding for long term. Yeah, extra 20 cents in less than 1 minute. Yeah, it came down fast, Anders. It came down super fast. 100%, dude. Yeah, this isn't a Trump. This isn't. This is nothing political to me. This is just the markets doing what the markets do. I don't think that there's anything political here. You didn't get me wrong. Like the tariffs could play factor in emotion here, but I think that's actually what was used to create this. I think that was what was actually the tariffs was something that was used to manipulate the markets. You got to think there's a lot of people out here that do not want the U.S. economy to be successful. This is global. Crypto's global. So you don't think that there's people out there? You don't think China's out there, Mexico's out there? You don't think that Canada and all these other people are out there trying to manipulate the markets to buy better entry points for themselves? Absolutely. This isn't just a a US thing. This isn't like crypto's just US based. Yeah, US has a lot of influence on it. A lot of crypto's traded here, but this is a global. Crypto's global, guys. Crypto's a global thing. Yeah, everyone's settled down. Yeah, 100%. Yeah, it looks like the chat. You guys are all looking like you're pretty based here in the chat. I mean, it seems like everyone's pretty much on the same board here, reading through these things. Coinbase froze. Yeah, you got to be careful with Coinbase, man. Coinbase will definitely freeze up on you, dude. These exchanges get pretty crazy. Prototype, thanks so much for the $2, dude. XRP, please go down to 50 cents. 50 cents would be crazy, dude. It goes back down to November 5th era timelines. Dude, that'd be crazy. Coinbase froze around 2. Yeah, there's a lot of money coming in and out. That's what's scary about this too, is that this is where exchanges get a little bit get tested as well. So this is another reason why you don't want all your money on exchanges here, is that these things get tested too. So when these things get tested, systems break down on exchanges, and exchanges start to collapse because they don't have the liquidity to pay people for all the trades that they're doing. So something to also be aware of. Awesome. What's going on? Please help. Why is it down so much? Just the markets alone, dude. It's nothing more than just people. This is planned. There's nothing you could do about it, dude. This is planned. This is well planned in advance, dude. It started on Friday. It really hit right here in Saturday. We were live on stream. It started to hit. And then today, the dominoes fell, man. You could see it all building up to this weekend. I mean, that's why we're starting to anticipate. I mean, I moved my buy orders down to 220. I mean, I moved it down to 245, and I bought it down at 225. And then today, I was like, crap. After the 225 hit, I was all excited. I'm like, shit, I got to go put a $2 buy order in, and that's what I did. I put a $2 buy order in just to save me from the $225 buy in. So, not done. You think $1.28? All right. Hey, you never know now, man. You never know what's gonna happen now. Who scooped up ETH and Shib? I just go back for the heck going on. What are you behind this? Yeah, right. I wish I had that much power. I wish I had that much influence. I definitely don't have that much influence to make the markets flip like that. I mean, Bitcoin got down to ETH almost got down to 1900, back into the 1900s, guys. This is crazy. I thought this was actually going to hit. It hit 2,154. When was the last time it hit that? I guess right here, back in August of 2024, it hit that number right there. It came down and hit that number. But before that, we hadn't seen a 1900. We haven't seen a 1900 since back in February, dude. Right back when the ETFs dropped was last time that we saw a 1900. Before this last drop right here, and ETH just took wow, insane. Pull up the XRP heat map. It's insane. Okay, yeah, I can do that. Let's go to liquidation. Let's go to the heat map, liquidation heat map, and let's actually do XRP. That's Binance. Let's do. Well, here's the Bitcoin on the map right here. Bitcoin. That's Binance. I don't think they have XRP up in this one. All right, let's do perpetuals. Oh man, they look it down here, dude. This thing is let's actually go over the 48 hours. Oh my gosh, look at that up here. Look at the volume up here. Look at this, dude. This is so empty. That's crazy, dude. That can't be, man. That is wow. Let's go to Binance. You can see the liquidations. Look at the heat map on this, dude. The liquidations are, oh my gosh. Like, look at that, dude. There's nothing. Liquidation led there. It's like empty, dude. They literally liquidated everything from the markets, dude. That is crazy. The heat map is so over. The heat map is literally cooled down. They have almost liquidated all here on Binance. Almost every single position has been liquidated on Binance for XRP. That is crazy, dude. I mean, there's still some in here, but that's wild. Wow. Billy, thanks so much for the $2, dude. So much retail is gone. I'm holding. Yeah. Well, that usually retailers are the last ones to kind of fall off the map, right? They're always the ones that are left behind. But yeah, the liquidation right now is up at 712. That's 712,000 traders, 712,000 traders 2.1 billion. So 2.1 billion. That's quite a impressive. That's quite an impressive number. 2 billion in the last 24 hours. Mom Dahmer, thanks so much for the $10, dude. Thank you, Austin, for keeping us calm. Be positive to face the XRP liquidation. Tomorrow is another day. Yes, it will be a better day than today. You're truly awesome. I appreciate that, Mom Dahmer. Thank you so much. And yeah, tomorrow's going to be a better day than it is today. I think so too. I think so too. So just be positive with it, and everything will be okay. I'm just mad that I spent the last cash I had and bought 31, and now I don't have to DCA. Are you talking? You must be talking about 31. So you must be talking about Hedera, Brandon. Yeah, I'm with you, man. Sometimes it does. Sometimes it is a little rough when you try to DCA and you think you get a good position, and the markets completely fall out on you. Again, the only time you'll lose is if you sell your position. If you sell your position, you lost. And you still have literally you still have 9 months, or no, you have 11 months before tax season. And on top of that, we have a long season ahead of us, and things are just getting started. So, yes, it does suck to be down, but just don't do anything crazy or anything rash. That's why you should only invest what you're willing to lose. You should only invest the money that you don't need to survive off of. You know what I mean? I know that's hard to say. It's easier said than done, but that's where you should be. This team rocks. Oh, Moist Mike, dude. Yeah, no, thank you. Appreciate you being here, dude. Is this a 30% dip we needed? This is more than a 30%. This is more like a 45% dip that a lot of people needed. And again, there's gonna be a lot of people that are entering into these markets right now. Trust me. A lot of people are going to enter in at these prices. I've entered in at this price. A lot of you guys have entered in at these prices. God bless you. No, I appreciate you guys being here, dude. We got roughly 5,226 people in here watching. Appreciate each and every one of you guys being here. If you can, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and appreciate you all being here. Is US going to buy? We should see this again. It'll be interesting to sort of see how it works out. Yeah, the Trump and Melania coin, 18.5. Yeah, the Trump coin is looking pretty rough. No, I think what I'm saying is it's not the tariffs directly. It's the emotional trading of the tariffs. It's not the tariffs that the tariffs came in here. It's people using the news as the reasons why they're getting out of it, because it creates uncertainty, right? So tariffs, the discussion of tariffs is what's causing the emotions to trade the positions. But I think a lot of people are using it as a way to manipulate the market, for sure. Yeah, it's used as leverage. The tariffs are used as leverage in the markets. And this so happened to be that domino that caused it. People need to remember the overreaching narrative at play. Institutions aren't going into seize plans to utilize XRP at this point. We'll see. 61K, goddamn. 61K, yeah, 61K can be a lot. F Coinbase. What an exchange you use? I use that Coinbase as well. Coinbase as well is what I use. Absolutely planned. Someone's gunning for crypto, and no, they're gunning to create. This is all a game to a lot of people. They're trying to find opportunities, and again, they use easy ways to liquidate markets and be able to come back in and buy up areas like this. Is exactly how it should be played. They're just playing the game. You know what I mean? I wonder how long this will last. Yeah, we'll see, dude. I panicked. Thank God you were streaming. I might have sold. I pissed myself when I logged on. Oh, dude, Roadrunner. Oh, no, dude, you're good, man. Calm down, play long, don't sell. Yeah, play for the long term. If you look back, when you zoom out and you actually look at the markets, things are always tend to come back and do well. So regardless of position wise, you can actually see that things are going to turn out to be okay. Watching the Grammys. All right. You try it a couple times each trade in Coinbase right now. You have to try. Oh, okay. Because there's probably a lot of sells going on in Coinbase. That's why exchanges are rough, guys. Got to be careful with exchanges. Hold your money off of exchanges if you can, and everything will be okay. Patient scrap hopper. We can cry now. This reminds me of the first Trump era days. The fire sale, Patrick. Yeah. Patience grasshoppers. We can all cry together. You guys are funny, man. This is why just makes me liquidate my 401k and buy dips. Just gonna go sell that. Just go sell your 401k for this. Bro, Cardano stopped completely. Is Cardano? Where is Cardano? ADA. Damn, 68 cents. Yeah, that came down hot, dude. It definitely filled these areas down here. These are some fire sales for sure. I mean, even Chainlink, right? I bought Chainlink back. I sold it. I sold my Chainlink, but this dipped way below where my buy order was. I didn't. I haven't. I didn't. I sold. I sold my Chainlink and I didn't buy back in. So that's out. That's out the door now. Now it's just back into XRP and HBAR and XLM. Julian, thanks so much for the $5, dude. Down dollar cost average is your friend. Yeah. Down cost average, dollar cost average. Yes, definitely your friend, especially in these scenarios. Trying to find your positioning. Yeah, it's a huge. I think it's a huge part of it. And XRP continues to sort of find its own footing here. But yeah, we're definitely on a downtrend here. That's for sure. Now it's just a matter of trying to find. We have to wait for the. I mean, like even the 4 hour right now is so far. You can't even. I had to erase all the charting on here because again, you have to just wait for this to settle before you can actually even make a real determination of where it's at. It is a good time to accumulate. Yeah, for a lot of people. This is a good time to accumulate. You know what I mean? There's a lot of people out there that are there's people that are entering the market today, first time they bought today, and they're entering at a price right now that a lot of people are hoping it would dip down to. People are freaking out. I don't see the notification 30 minutes ago. What's up, Tony? It's just act like it did in November 20th, 218, a great price. Yeah, 218 is a good price. Let's take it $24 now. $24, yeah. It's time for the government to stock up on XRP. I think a lot of them are probably buying. I think the governments are probably buying a lot of these. These are fire sales for even governments out there too. They'll come back. This will all come back. You can see there was a fair value gap down here at 93 on the 4 hour, and I think the day chart actually had one. I think there was a small one down here, but maybe not, and maybe there wasn't. But yeah, this is a pretty big fallout right here. We're roughly down. Bitcoin is down about 16%, which is about average, right? Look. 15% there, 13% there. Let's go down over here. We saw previously we mapped them out. We had 9% there, 11% there, almost 20% on this one. We had 29 and 25. These were back earlier in the year when we had these dips coming down. So you just realize that this is kind of where it's at, right? I mean, 16% dip. It was a 19% dip last inauguration when Biden was here, right? We saw that 19% dip right after inauguration before it came back. And right now we're at a 16% dip before potential pullback on this one. So maybe history is repeating itself after inauguration. And if you don't believe me on that, we can always go back and look. I think it was on this chart I put it up. Right here, this is the inauguration for after Biden came in, right here. And you guys see that's a 19% dip just right after inauguration day. But if you include the dip up here prior, you're around a 31% dip from here to here. So, there could be more pain in the game. I don't know. You know what I mean? There could we see another 26% dip or 31% dip? It could be on the table, right? If this keeps going, this narrative keeps getting played, we could see a bigger dip, right? I mean, a 20, if we even say like a 20% dip, I mean, you're talking 85, 83, 25% dip, bring us back down to the 200 EMA. The moving average right here. I mean, that would be crazy. That would be about where it would go if we went from the high all the way to the low before we bounce back up. That would be crazy. I don't think that's good. I mean, I hope that doesn't happen, right? I mean, I don't know, but I hope it doesn't happen. Yeah, you just definitely don't want that to happen. So I really hope this is going to be till Friday. Yeah, we'll see what happens. Yeah, take a breath. 206, I would hope it bounces back. Yeah, 216 is starting to come back right now, 216. So 219 is my break-even point. 219 is, and it's about to hit 219. So 219 is my break-even point right now with XRP. The standard halting of Cardano. Damn, look at that wick. Yeah, that's a pretty crazy wick on a day chart. That's a pretty. I mean, we've had a couple wicks like that before, but I mean, this is a pretty crazy one right here. Do you think it will go back to 170 again? It very well could. I mean, we'll see. We'll have to monitor this. When I came into tonight or this morning when I streamed, we were talking about it around the 245, 225 were our areas, and now it went from 225 to $2 real quick. You know what I mean? Love your channel and Discord. Oh, I appreciate that a ton. Thank you so much. David said rug pull. You guys are funny, man. I'm trembling still. No, don't tremble, man. Everything will be good. Everything will be good. Thanks for the coverage. Awesome. Loving this. Yeah, there's a lot of people that are probably buying these things up. Matt, I couldn't buy it. The 170. I know. I kind of wish I had it at the $2. Thinking, okay, maybe $2 is going to be good. Brandon, thanks so much again for the $5, dude. I'm not even mad at this point. Dipping, I'm not selling. I know what's going on. Just saying, I wish I waited one day. Thank you, Austin. No, I get it, man. A lot of people wish that. You're not the only one. And I appreciate the $5, man. Yeah, you're not the only one, dude. There's a lot of people that are still working their way out of these positions. So again, big thing here is why to me spot trading is so much more important, because you can work your way out of your holes, you can work your way out of positions. These things will come back, and so I just want people to just realize that. Look at this, dude. H bar was down to 18, dude. This went all the way down to 17.9, dude, and it's already back up. So my buy point was at 19.5. I'm up about almost 9%. 9%. Let me actually look at that. Hold on. Let me look at that. I think I'm up like that. Yeah, 9% on that little trade right there. Giving my dollar cost average back up on H bar. Yeah. Yeah, we're already back, dude. I mean, literally, I had a buy at 23, I had a buy at 19.5, I had a buy at 23, a buy at 19.5, and a buy at 24 today, dude. So I mean 24, 23, and 19.5 are my buys on H bar today. So again, I'm working my way out of these little holes too. They're not crazy holes, but they're holes that we have to work our way out of. So what exchange? And that's just for a swing trade, right? We're buying the dip in anticipation of the bounce back. And when the bounce back comes, right, if it goes up 10% from where I bought out, I'll probably cash out. I'll probably cash out my earnings on that one for a swing trade. I sold my Pepe. And again, there's a difference between swing trading and accumulating, right? If you're trying to accumulate and just hold, these are perfect times to just accumulate and hold, right? Buy, accumulate, hold. I'm looking at it from I've already accumulated my bags. Now I'm just swing trading these things. Okay. So I'm in a little different scenario than some people. Joey, thanks so much for the $5. Bye. Appreciate that, man. Appreciate that. Markets are poop, but I caught Austin. Heck yeah, Corey. What's up, dude? Bring it on, Wells. Can't shake us. Yeah, I know, dude. If you've been through a bear market, this is nothing. If you've been through the FTX thing, this is nothing, guys. Trust me, everything will be okay. If you made it through the FTX and the Terra Luna crash with your money in the market, knowing that you lost literally 80% of your bag in like 24 hours, this really isn't as hard as that. But I get people that are new here just realize that this is a very common thing in crypto. I mean, we knew that this was going to happen. I talked about it on stream, there was going to be a massive decline. I didn't know how deep it was going to be, but we talked about it. We prepped for it. And I hope a lot of people were listening. Thomas, thanks so much for the donation, man. Trump could single-handedly cause a recession. He probably could. You're right. He probably could. I would not disagree with that. I think anyone, the leader of the free world, the most powerful person in the world, could probably create a recession at any moment, regardless of whether it's Trump or Biden or Kamala, whoever was there could single-handedly probably do that for sure. These are buying opportunities. Just getting into crypto. Should I buy? Filthy. That's up to you, man. You got to start somewhere. You got to get your feet wet at some point. And I mean, these are some pretty juicy drops, but I mean, to each our own. Why is my trade being canceled or rejected on TradingView? Good question. Maybe they're overloaded, dude. These exchanges, this is where you'll really test exchanges. You'll test staking platforms and you'll test exchanges, and we'll know right now which exchanges actually have backed liquidity and which ones don't as of today. Relax, everyone. I'm down over 400K in the day, and I'm not selling. I was waiting for you, Warsaw. What's up, buddy? We were just talking about you, about how we were talking about the dips coming in. Warsaw's probably been one of the biggest persons on here. Him and Kev are probably the two people on here that have brought this up repeatedly over there being a flash crash like this. So I'll give you the credit because you have kept A-team based when it came to understanding that there was going to be dips involved here. So thank you for that, man. Tony, what's up? There's so many people in the chat now. It's moving so fast. Yeah, it's hard to keep up. I'm probably roughly around 10 minutes behind on the chat. You think it's politically manipulated? I don't know. Maybe, yeah, it could probably have all that, Silo. It could probably have a lot of that. I think it could be manipulated from the politics side of it, governments. There's probably a lot, dude. Crypto doesn't sleep. Markets sleep. When you go look at these, the markets sleep. You know what I mean? However, you can see right here that that crypto doesn't. China's January factory growth misses expectations ahead of U.S. tariffs. Oof. Ouch. That probably doesn't help either. That probably doesn't help at all. So manufacturing PMI stayed above the 50 level that separates expansion. Did we actually get? We haven't got our PMI. We get our PMI today. I think tomorrow we get our PMI. Let me go look at the chart here real quick. I think we get our PMI tomorrow. Yeah, we get our PMI tomorrow. So forecast is 49.5. Previous was 49.3. So hopefully we come in. Hopefully we come in above that and or at that number for the PMI tomorrow. PMI tomorrow will actually be a pretty big day. I'm not crying. I'm not crying either, man. I just sold my average. Just gonna walk this off. Yeah. Go touch some grass. Go touch some snow. It's still snowing here. So this is why you don't buy XRP when there's a bunch of YouTubers telling you to. They are being paid to make you buy XRP. Then your markets come in and clean all of you out. Always do the opposite. Well, good thing here is I don't think I was actually saying it. You know what's funny is I actually was saying that we should anticipate there to be a sell-off at some point. I just didn't know how deep it was going to be. You know, mine was 225. I was joking at one point. I was like, man, 225 might not get reached. I was joking about it on stream, but I mean, like, it actually hit. The 225 buy order actually hit. So yeah, I get what you're saying. Expected the unexpected, always, dude. Dude, Uphold is pissing me off. Yeah, you'll a lot of these exchanges will get tested right now. Could you show your buys from XLM today? Should I show your buys from XLM today? I do tell you the truth. I actually didn't buy any XLM today. I didn't buy. It was all HBAR and XRP today. I didn't buy any more at XLM. My last XLM purchase was back here, roughly around the 30. What was it, 36? It was back over here. I think I bought XLM at 36 back over here, and it's still sitting there. So, let's see here. If we bounce back, just hold faith. Yeah, it's going to come back. This is definitely market manipulation. Yeah, we don't dip like this unless it's market manipulation. This chart looks crazy. I mean, like, I'm gonna be honest, dude. This chart looks crazy. You don't see that. Look at that. Look at the tail off on that. That is a crazy fall. You know what I mean? That is a crazy, crazy fall right there. I think this coin's gonna shrink a little bit. Could. Will there be another dip when the Europe opens up? We'll see, man. We got this is probably the Asia markets opening up, right? And seeing a lot of what's happening here and the collapse of it all. What's likelihood we see another dip in the morning? It's so hard to say, Borshito. We're in free fall right now. So we haven't really been able to settle. You have to be able to see some kind of settling down of this, and we haven't been able to see that. There's been no settling of where this is going, even from this morning, right? With XRP, there's been zero settling down. So we haven't even found, like, we don't even know where the floor is at until we start to actually find a level of support. And when we find a level of support, then at that point we can actually probably say, okay, here's where we need to be. But we haven't even found a level of support yet. This thing just keeps going down. So until we find a level of support, and maybe that level of support is right around here, hopefully we build back up here to 240. You can see there's a lot of level of support right between 240 and right around like 225. Maybe build somewhere in between here would actually be kind of nice. $2. Thanks so much, Crypto Dreams. Going down 2,500 points tomorrow. You think the Dow is going down 2,500 points tomorrow? Definitely do your own research, but I've been following different people I've been feeling for a while, and I've subscribed to them all saying to set a buy order. Don't go all in yet. Yeah, that's true, Ramiro. That's true. Yeah, definitely try to set your buy orders and anticipate versus just jumping in. Oh, is it really on the 15? It's back up to 269 on the 15-minute chart. Really? That's pretty wild. It bounced back up. It's bouncing back and forth. Next 40 hours is a buying market, probably. Yeah. I mean, right now, this whole from Saturday on right now, it's pretty crazy. Austin, if Bitcoin dominance falls, if Bitcoin falls, does the dominance falls? Not necessarily. No, it's just a matter of where the people are moving their money into. Just because it's there, you can see right here. You can see the price. Look at that, dude. Bitcoin's going down, but the dominance is going up. The dominance is sitting at 62%. You can see this right here, right? This line right here is the dominance. So just because Bitcoin's falling doesn't mean the dominant. That just means that people are moving more towards moving out of the altcoins into, like, say, a Bitcoin, or they're moving their money out. So that's kind of what that means. And so there's just a lot more dominance now in Bitcoin. So that's a lot of why this is falling out too. So loaded up to 77,000. Yeah. Yeah, be careful with those meme coins, dude. Those meme coins are crazy, dude. Absolutely crazy. You know what I mean? Tariff news will die quickly with the DeepSeek. Could, yeah. Originally bought XRP at $6, sold half my bag at 250, and just bought back at 198. Hey, pushing public, man. Kudos to you, man, for taking the risk, dude. Be brave. Way to be brave. Yeah, this will probably hopefully find an area. We need to find like an area of support so that we can build off of that support. And I don't know if we will find that. You know what I mean? I just keep filling the bags. All right. Yeah. Heck yeah. Jim Cramer said Bitcoin was a buy on Thursday. That's actually pretty funny, username. That's pretty funny, dude. I think he actually did. I think you're right. I think he actually did, dude. Think about it. This is now we're gonna get ready to rip up. Yeah, it's gonna come back. I'm so jealous of you OGs. I came to crypto 4 weeks ago and I'm so down. Hey, dude, we've all been there, Roadrunner. Honestly, we've all been there, man. You know, I go back to the previous times of jumping in on the bull runs too. We've all been there, and the good part is it's all come back. It's all come back, and it's been good. So, yeah, just if you can hang on, hang on. You know what I mean? He's right. Don't leverage, buy and hold average. Yeah, 100%, Rick. Please remind everyone tomorrow is the first day of trading since the tariffs. That is true. Tomorrow will be the first day. Yeah, what's up, Stan? What's going on, dude? The buys and hold strategy, I have no worries. No pain for kids' allowances this week. I like that, James. I like that. That's good, dude. This is the ultimate experience. Heck yeah, Deepak. It really is. This is I survived the FTX crash. This is nothing, right? Hey, we got a lot of people in here that probably been there, man. If you've been through the Terra Luna collapse and through the FTX collapse, like this is like hold my beer, right? Hold my beer. That's funny. Yeah. I mean, and again, but this is new. This is the new for a lot of people here, you know, and I think, again, just to let you guys know, a lot of us have been here. A lot of us are still down right now. I mean, I'm even in a swing trade right now, right? I've been doing this for a long time, and, you know, I bought the dip, and, you know, working my way out of it. And I'm still down a little bit on trade right now. So even people that have been here for a long time that have been trading this still have areas to work out of, right? We don't always hit our numbers exactly. Just realize that no one's perfect. If you're watching someone out there and they're telling you that they're perfect all the time and that they're always up on their trades and they always get it right, that's a flat out lie. It's impossible. Not even the best traders in the world can do that. So just realize that everyone's in the same boats right now, and now it's just a matter of trying to work your way out of it, and that's all it comes down to. Okay. And so hopefully you guys at least take that from today and just realize that no one's perfect. Everyone's feeling the same pain as you. Everyone in here, we have 5,732 people watching right now. And I guarantee a majority of them at some point felt the pain of the sells today. You know, maybe some are just jumping in right now and actually in the green, or they've worked their way out of it and they're feeling pretty good about it. But at some point they felt the pain of these markets going down at some point. Whether they had longs in, whether they had shorts in, whether they wherever they bought at, they all at some point felt it. I was following the wrong channel. All right. Thomas, thanks again for the donation, man. How would this affect it if we got good news on XCN tomorrow? Would this affect the pump? Yeah, I mean, if we got good news, I mean, the markets are going to come back. You know, let's just say that they make a settlement with Canada and Mexico or whatever they do, and you know, things are going to be right back on track. You know, this is purely just a way to get into the markets. You want to create entry points for people to come into the markets. You really do. XRP ETF approved, I hope. Yeah, it's been so hard to keep up with the chat here. How much do you think the overnight market will react to today's dump? It'll probably react a lot. Way up north. Thanks so much for the $5. It'll probably react a lot. We're already seeing it right now in the just go look at the pre-markets right now. Look at the futures, right? 664 for the Dow, 124 and 583 for the NASDAQ. NASDAQ is sort of what we follow for crypto. We're already sort of seeing that these points are hitting right here. Dow drops more than 450 points after Trump hits U.S. trading partners with tariffs. So, I mean, you know, this is going to continue to probably bleed in the markets. You know, we'll probably see this carry over to tomorrow for sure, like without question. Yeah. I think this is the mainstream media scaring the shit out of people right now. Yeah, and again, that's probably true. I mean, you read this right here. This doesn't make you feel good, right? I mean, reading this stuff doesn't make you feel good, you know? And there's a lot of things out here, you know, that make people go, crap, dude. And I was actually reading this right here. This Trump tariffs takes aim at trade loopholes. This is actually pretty crazy how the loopholes of what was happening here. Again, I'm not going to get too much into it, but yeah, there's probably a lot of that. Rito Burrito, I'd say there's probably a lot of that. Adam, dude, thanks so much for the 4.99. Hey, about the Luka AD trade and Fox going to San Antonio to play with Wembley. Oh, really? Dang, I didn't see the Fox thing. Yeah, that's pretty crazy, dude. Thanks so much for the $5. Yeah, that's a wild trade. That's a wild trade. Luka going to the Lakers is crazy. Never thought that day would come. Can you explain the yellow and blue indicators? Oh, this is just volume right here, bro. These are your volume indicators. Tells you where your levels of supports and resistances are. It helps at least guide you on where those are at. So that's all that is, just volume. Like the stream, appreciate that, man. Thank you so much, dude. Yeah, definitely like it. You guys we have 5,600 people in here. Appreciate you guys all being here. Hope you guys are actually doing good today, even though we're going through this right now. They got me for my bag. Can't lie. 5,000 HBAR, 1,000 XRP, and 400 Algo. Do you say in Crypto King that you got liquidated? Sub so I can chat. All right, bro. Appreciate you being here, man. I'm buying based off the RSI. Hell yeah, dude. Get that RSI. Yes. Oh, explain to everyone what liquidation is. I mean, really what it comes down to is, I don't know how many people here, it's pretty basic. I mean, you know, if you go enter into a liquidation, you're buying a future or buying a stock basically, and or crypto at some point. You're buying it for a time or a number, right? Whatever that is. Let's just say that you bought one and you're putting a long in for XRP. So you buy it out here at 210, right? So you're buying a future at 210. If you're putting a long in on this and this actually goes down, that means that you're actually losing on it. And at some point you're going to get liquidated. So like if you put, let's just say you put $10 in on a 10x leverage, that means that you're going to go out and you're going to get like $100 worth of it. And that means that you now have basically $90 of whoever's money it is out there to put on the leverage out there. And if you lose, if it goes down, you know, a small 10%, you've already then been liquidated at that point. So it's the amount of money that you put in is how you get liquidated at the end of the day. And it's a dangerous thing if you want to get in there. It's people that have lower amounts of money that want to try to make more and gamble. That's kind of how it is. So yeah, it's definitely one of those. I'm going to try to catch up to the chat here, guys. Old man Jenkins, thanks so much for the $2, dude. Gary Gensler was only trying to protect the U.S. True. Madison Paris, thanks so much for the $5. Why is the market crashing? I just joined the live. A lot of it has to do with the tariffs. A lot of it probably has to do with the media in the market. You know, just everything that's out there right now. We can't deny that the tariffs did not play a factor into this. It just one domino fell, and the next thing, everything got liquidated, dude. That's just kind of what it was. 100x leverage is awesome these days. You guys are crazy, dude. I love hearing all these YouTubers discarding all the fake thumbnails and all the hype. Eat crow. Yeah, there's a lot of that out there, right? There's a lot of emotional playing on YouTube. Should I dump 600? And now, it's really up to you. Down 42K thanks to Trump. That's a lot. Yeah, a lot of people are down right now. What's up, Austin? Look like H-bar, maybe finding the floor on the chart. Yeah, let's take a look. We're not going to really see a floor until about, we'll probably see, we're in the blue. We'll see in the green right now. We have, we probably got a couple hours. You're going to have like a couple hours, like anywhere from 4 to 8 hours of building a level here, if not a whole day of building a level before we actually know. You can see right here, we kind of built a level here earlier this morning. And I was like, okay, maybe we found a floor here at 25, right? We started to build. And then we just fell off, right? So even if we build a floor, just realize there can be another fall off. We gotta actually find a floor and build up from it. Unfortunately, we didn't do that. Crypto has always been volatile. Yeah, no, this is a grown person's game for sure. Rick, thanks so much for the $10 donation to the channel. I really appreciate that. That 270 wick was crazy. Yeah, Rebecca, that was pretty wild. Man, the market tomorrow will be bloody as hell. It already kind of feels that way, dude. Because it's not a one show. Collectively, we rely on each other, whether we like to believe or not. 100%, Millicent, 100%. I agree. We all kind of rely on each other. You guys help me. I talk about it with you guys. Yeah, it all works out. People are saying XRP's done. Big money stealing little money. Absolutely, dude. Textbook FUD day. Oh yeah, dude, 100%. So this is exactly what fear in the market looks like, dude. You know what I mean? Tariffs are that FUD, 100%. Again, and how they work out, I don't know. Cash, thanks so much for the $2, dude. Ripple, Japan, Google that right now. Wild stuff. Yeah, we heard that the whole Google and Ripple and Japan thing were going to come through, or I said Google, the Ripple and Japan thing was going to happen. We'll see if it actually does. That'd be really cool if it actually really is true. I knew it was volume, but what is the difference? Oh, so here, so here you have what's called your. So if you actually look over here on your things, you go over here, you pull up your VR. You can go over here and you can actually sort of see what the levels are of what's going in, what's going out, or and or what's going up, what's going down. And so that's kind of where you're at right here. Just your levels of that. And then you can come over here. I created another. There's another one over here. I don't play it a whole lot, but you can see the volumes over here as well at the very bottom. These really help you tell you where the volumes are at right now. So you can see in this last hour right now, we're in the green and everything else is pretty much in the red. But I mean, this is a pretty wild. This is pretty wild right here too. So yeah. No, I didn't get liquidated. I sold and reallocated and took some money. Okay, that's good, dude. Trent, thanks so much. Trent, what's going on, man? Thanks so much for the $5, dude. Saw a tweet saying that we didn't know when Trump was removing the gains tax. He did by removing gains. That'd be odd. If he comes out tomorrow and says, "Hey, no capital gains tax on crypto," everyone's gonna be like, "Yeah." So we just moved into a new hour. We'll see how this new hour builds out right here. So 7 o'clock here on the West Coast. We just moved up to an hour. Looks like we're trying to climb out of it on this hour chart. So yeah, thanks, Trent. That's actually pretty funny. Yeah. What do you think about Trump and Millennium meme coins? The meme coins are wild, dude. I have nothing to say on the meme coins. I think meme coins are crazy and they're super risky, 100% without question. What goes up must come down. Why is everyone freaking out? Augustine, that's just nature. That's just how I think a lot of people, it's how we all kind of feel, right? A lot of us get worked up. It's okay. It's part of the game, honestly. Man, that's a lot of talking. You think it hits 50 cents? That could be tough, dude. 50 cents? Yeah, 50 cents could be crazy. Buy or sell, buy or sell. It's really up to you. The reason it's down is because hedge fund managers, they're manipulating the markets by investing billions to see the market tank under Trump. That could happen too, right? I mean, there could be a whole game in this thing as well. For sure. For sure, dude. There could be a massive game in this whole thing. How did you learn technical analysis? Just spending time with the charts, man. That's really what it comes down to. Spending time with the charts and just looking at indicators, following up on them, and yeah, crypto certainly isn't up. Yeah. What do you think about Trump? Yeah, the Trump Melania thing's crazy. Why XRP and not Bitcoin? Well, Bitcoin went down pretty hard too. You got to think they just have a large market cap, so their market cap's really big. So to get down 16% is pretty crazy when you think about it. XRP is getting started. Yes. The total opposite hasn't yet. Y'all wanted Trump. He's such a crypto president, and in a weekend he liquidated the market as a whole. I'm not, again, short-term pain, long-term gains is kind of where I'm at. You know what I mean? We're going to probably feel some pain and hopefully we have some gains. And, markets always come back. You can see Bitcoin dominance is coming down on the hour chart right now. So we're going to see a little bounce back here. We all like crypto. When fear hits, you buy knowing you will lose. That's kind of what happens, right? People have that fear of losing, so they don't want to buy and get any more. Liquidation time. There's a lot of liquidation. Let's actually take a look at where we at. We're up to 2.17 billion now. Gosh, dang, dude. Slowing down. It's slowing down though, but it's still happening. There's still some liquidations out here. Yeah, you can see right here. Look at that, dude. Dang. Binance is completely out there just throwing down falling daggers right now. $85K. Yeah, what's up, Deb? Thank you so much, dude. The whales love everyone who's saying XRP is done. True. The gambler. Yeah, this is fake. Be careful, guys. Yeah, this is all just a trap. I love the red. I love fear. I do not fear fear. It sounds like a Chuck Norris joke. Never going to see $3 XRP again. Thanks for explaining liquidation. I was thinking, how can you get liquidated if you don't sell? It's people putting in futures contracts, so you can go actually put leverage trades in, and that's usually what gets hurt. Trump just pulled a Band-Aid off. Couldn't have been worse. He did. He pulled the Band-Aid hard. Wow, the highest count you've had in your chat. Yeah, it's pretty crazy. We have roughly 5,200 people in here watching still, so that's pretty gnarly. I think that might be a record. I think 5,500 might have been a record right there. I think we had almost 5,800 people at one point, which is crazy. This got me, not gonna lie. I told myself I'd never sell H-bar. Tried to get cute and sell some. Price hasn't moved since. No, you're good, bro. Yeah, you're good. Volume is insane. The volume coming through is pretty gnarly right now. I don't know where I just picked up that word. All of a sudden, I kept saying gnarly. Yeah, look at the volume, dude. Oh my gosh, 24-hour volume is up 277.12 billion. Like there. Oh my gosh, dude, up 189%. That means that's going in and leaving, right? Damn, dude, the market just fell below a $3 trillion market cap. I never thought, man, I was like, dude, 11%. That's crazy, dude. A $3 trillion market cap just came up. We're finally dipped below $3 trillion. I was like, man, that's kind of wild to see right there, right? He can't say there won't be any capital gains on. I know. Life savings. Thanks so much for the $5, dude. With crypto already dumped this weekend, do you think blood stock market tomorrow will continue? Probably will. I mean, the futures are looking like that. Again, I can't predict what's going to happen here, but I mean, it's not looking too good for the futures. There's the markets for tomorrow. That's pretty rough. I don't think it's going to be a start of a bear market. No. I'm saving a little fiat for my beans and rice. That's actually pretty funny. All the dudes sell your BTC. Yes, I'm feeling Ripple or Trump have a few wild cards in their back pocket. They could, you know what I mean? One thing that's good about Trump is that, you know, he doesn't like to lose. He doesn't like to look bad. So, you know, that's another part is I don't think he's going to want the crypto markets to be down too far. So he's going to find a way to bring them back. You know, there's one thing about that. His ego is really big. We all know that, right? That's okay. You can have a big ego as long as you can back it up. And you know, that's what my expectation is. He's going to back it up, and we're going to have the charts come back up. That's kind of where I'm hedging on. In the event that was always going to happen, 100%. All the craziness. Forget I have the flu. I carry. Yeah, I'm a little sick right now too. Again, the kids got me sick again over the weekend. Why did XRP fall more than the other cryptos though? It wasn't just XRP. It was everything, dude. Let's pull this back. XRP wasn't the only one that fell. Look at this. XRP over last 7 days, 24, 17, 17, 29 for Dogecoin, 31 for Cardano, 26 for Chainlink, 32 for Avalanche. You know, Sui's down 25, Toncoin's down 30, Hedera's 32. So I mean, you can see that there's a lot of this. Shib's down 31. Doesn't really, but I mean, there's a lot of these that are down a lot. You know what I mean? So it wasn't just XRP. XRP's down 24. I think it was a lot of things, combined together. Yeah, I'm not getting into the politics side of it. Would you say a floor has been established at 180? We'll see, Mikhail. We'll see right here. We're gonna have to continue to watch this. You have to do more than just now. We're back up to 225, dude. So I'm well above my purchase price now. My average cost was 219. 219 is where my average is. So I'm already up now. I'm already up about almost 3% now from where I averaged myself in. 245, 225, $2, and now I'm back above my over my average price now at 219 as my average right now. So yeah, we're climbing back up. I'm already back in the green now from my dollar cost average today. So that is huge right now. My average for today on this one was I bought a 224. Let me see my average here. So even with this buy, right, I'm almost back into my averages here. Hold on one second. Let me look. Just look right here. Yeah, 220, 20, 24 and 20 and then 23. So I bought at 24, 23, 19.5. Let me actually get one of these. Let me get one of these down here. 23. Sorry, I'm trying to see where my average is on this one. 23, 0, 0. 23, 0 is 5.7. Right there. Boom. Yeah, so I haven't quite reached my average yet. My average right here is 22.5. 22.5 is my average. So I haven't quite reached my average on this one yet, but that's okay. That's okay. Oops. So I'm gonna put another horizontal line. Oops. 22.5. 22.5, and I'm gonna make that a different color. We'll make it white. So that's my break even point, 22.5 for H bar right now, and I'm almost back there. So again, there's things to work your way out of these things. That's one thing I love about spot trading is you can work your way out of this trade. I mean, I'm already up 3% on my XRP now. You know, we're gonna break even here. We get back into the 23, 24 mark. I mean, we're making money. You know what I mean? And if tomorrow comes in good, you know, we're gonna be looking back going, shit, that was a great buy. So that's what's nice about these spot trades is that you can work your way out of these things. As the market continues to dip, you can buy these averages out, and you know, we're back in the green. When overseas countries wake up and see this crypto degen, won't they sell off? We'll see. I think a lot of this could be baked in already, man. XRP is ripping. Yeah, XRP is back up to 223, 224. Yeah, it's coming back up here. So that's looking pretty good. 219 is our good price here. Let me mark that as well. 219. I'm gonna make that. I'm actually gonna make this red. That's our low here. I'm gonna make this one white. Oh, that's not the thing here. Let's go back to my H bar here. Let me make this one red as well. That's my break even point is red. There we go. I should probably make a different color. I should probably make it like yellow or something. It blends in with everything. We don't make it yellow. Ew, I don't like that either. We'll just keep it red. Bro, everyone is so nervous, but I'm buying. This is a perfect opportunity. Yeah, dude, a lot of these are good opportunities for a lot of people. That wick is a big middle finger. It's about to go up. Japan is integrating. That'd be nice. You never know. Maybe next hour we get back to $3. Yeah, that's kind of how it's crazy. Everyone in here cause most crypto YouTubers disappear when it's crashing. Everyone's in here because because you're saying most YouTubers leave. Oh, I wonder. Everyone's like, dude, I'm not talking about this, but they're all stressing out too, right? Everyone's stressing out. Like I told you, no one's sitting pretty right now. If someone's out there saying that they're sitting pretty with everything, like I said, we have long-term bags which look great. You know, again, it still looks. I will admit, we bought XRP at 30 cents. We're 500% up on your bag. Trust me, it still sucks to look at your long-term bags and go, oof. You know what I mean? It's still that's still a negative, right? You're in the greens. Even at a 500%, you could still go, okay, yeah, we're up, 400%. But seeing 100% seeing like 50 or 60%, 70% leave your entire bag, that's a hard thing to swallow, right? You're still down. You're still like, crap, dude, that's still money on the table that, so again, that's what you got to think. Enjoy the money these YouTube videos pay off. Yeah, clearly XRP was overbought and pretty much went to a correction back to 120. Hopefully regain fast. It has regained pretty quickly. I mean, you can see right here. That's kind of where we're at. And even Hedera is coming back pretty good right now. We're only 2 hours from EU waking up. Pop will be throwing me out of the will for telling him about XRP. Warsaw. Tell your uncle and your pops what's up for me. Austin, how many black hoodies do you own? Probably like 17. The liquidation goes straight into the exchange pockets. Well, I mean, it goes into liquidation it goes into whoever sold the contract, right? Whoever's on the other side. There's usually, there's two parts to it. So yeah, it's usually the exchange or whoever's, on that side of it. So yeah, it's usually the exchanges that are gifting it to you. Are you seeing stock market futures and precious metals? I don't really do a whole lot of it. I am in on some stocks. F just woke up to 8,000 less. Dad, I'm with you. Just when I thought I was going to repair my house, this happens. Sorry, dude. XRP reserves tomorrow would be wild, dude. Would be absolutely wild. Don't buy shorts unless you know what you're doing. 100%. Yeah, don't short or do any of that kind of stuff unless you know. Like a rubber band being pulled back and it's going the opposite if you're holding strong. Yeah, again, you don't got to sweat it. If you're holding strong, trying to work your way out of positions, you should be good. If I never withdrawn anything off of Coinbase, do I still have to do taxes for the 4 months I've never been in it? No, you shouldn't have to do that. Joel's ASMR. XCN's a huge opportunity at the moment. There's a lot of opportunities out there right now. After buying at 190, let it rip. Dude, that's what I'm talking about. So 190, if you bought at 190, you You got in a better deal than I did. I got $2. 190. That puts you. Oops. 190 puts you at roughly. Oh, I'm in the wrong thing. I was like, that doesn't look right. 190 puts you at. I mean, you're 17% up, bro. You're like, that's fantastic. That's fantastic, dude. This happened in the last bull market all the time, dude. Filthy. This is not. This is very common, dude. I've shown the charts before, in previous streams about this happening, right? Now this did go further down than I thought, right? I said at the most I thought 34% would be the furthest for H bar, right? 34%, but it actually went down to 43%. So I was actually a little bit off too. I'll admit it. I wasn't exactly 100%, but I mean 34 was still a long stretch. We hadn't had a 34% a loss in a trade in over 6 months, 7 months, going on 7 months. August of 2024 was our last big dip of 34%. So I was like, dude, see, that's 6 months ago, man. You know, but hey, history repeated itself 6 months later, and here we are. You know, dipped down 43%. Actually, more than that. It's 40. It was like 45%. Tell you the truth, let's actually get it right. I think it was 48%, wasn't it? What was it? What was the dip from the top up here down? That was, dude, that was a 55%, dude. No, that's the wrong one. I'm like, that can't be right. That's still 55 right there for H bar. 55 for H bar for here. This was a 40, almost a 48%. So 49%, 40, 48, 49%. That's pretty crazy. Yeah, look at XRP coming back hot, dude. Heck yeah. XRP is coming back, dude. Now we're cooking. Let's get up there, back up to the 230 marker. You're still right. Easier said than done, but that is wise trading. Yeah, true. Here we go. Yeah, we're coming back up now, guys. We're starting to work our way back up. I'm liking this. Think we might dip again. We'll have to find a floor, dude. We have to really find a support level. I don't know where that support level is. I'm saying, you know, it'd be nice to sit around this 225 marker for some support. You know, we could come up here to the 245, but I mean, that's a pretty far jump back up, but there is a nice little fair value gap right here on the day. The 12 hours showing us here at 250. This could come back up and rest around the 245, which would actually not be that bad. So anywhere from 225 to 245. So let's just call it 235 would not be a bad area of level of support, even though there's not really. You can see right here, this level of support is right around the 235. You can see where the volume is right there. So 237 seems to be like right in that ballpark. It's your average and you're sweating. Yeah, you're still good though, dude. Vay, thanks so much for the $20, Johassen. Are you buying more pre-sale Pure Wallet? Yeah, no, I'm definitely gonna be buying more of the pre-sale wallet, dude. Thanks so much for the $20 donation. Yeah, the Pure Wallet pre-sale is definitely I'll be buying more here. The transfer to my wallet is actually moving kind of slow since Coinbase. I moved some money over to from Coinbase to my wallet, but it hasn't shown up yet. So Coinbase is pulling that crazy, not pending forever. I was going to buy more Pure Wallet token today before the timer goes off for the pre-sale, but it hasn't come over to my wallet yet. So when that happens, I'll probably buy, hopefully before the 20, hopefully before the price goes up. So thanks so much for the $20 and asking me. Yeah, thanks for the super chat. Trump has factories. All depends on where you buy it. Yes. Stay positive and keep believing in projects. Yes, I agree. Definitely keep believing in projects. And see here, institutions have been manipulated this cycle as they prepare. It will take off. Yes, it will. I think they're going to prepare for it 100%. I noticed all of them hit lowest at the 605 exactly at the same time across the board. Yes. We'll see tonight. 12 o'clock midnight is going to sort of be our target. You know what I mean? Midnight seems to be a nice little target point for XRP. So as you guys know, there is a little target point right here right around midnight. We seem to have some really good action. XCN's in the green again. Felt bad I got liquidated when I bought at 185. Damn, Bong. Oh, really? You never... Okay, yeah, you should be okay. I think you should be okay. What is ban exchange? I have no idea. Why is your cost average so high? I would have thought you were in XRP around... No, this is for swing trade. Swing trade, Mark. These are swing trades. I'm in around 32 cents for XRP. I'm talking swing trades, bro. Yeah, my long-term bag's packed, dude. Like I said, it still sucks to wake up and see that stuff. Thomas, thanks so much for the 199. Look at XCN. I'll pull up XCN for you guys. XCN. Yeah, XCN's definitely came down pretty hot right here. 181. What about 1 cent 8? 1 cent 8 right there. So yeah, it's come back up nicely. Again, if you got that little dip right there, you're probably sitting pretty good. Madison, thanks so much for the $2. Do Pepe, Giga Chad, H bar, buy the dips. Well, probably H bar. I don't know about Pepe and Giga Dad. But then, to each our own on where we like things. Yeah, you never see YouTubers buying during the dip. They all dipped out. They're like, hey, we're out of here. Maybe the whales purposely dropped the market for Japan. Maybe. Yeah, we'll never know. We're all wimps. Nah, dude. YouTubers are like salesmen of crypto platform. I mean, we like talking about crypto. I mean, it's fun. I can be honest. You're not down until you've gone below what you paid to get in. Yes. What do you think of XCN? I mean, a lot of people here like XCN, dude. You know what I mean? A lot of people here, I was just minding my own business. Marty. No, you appreciate you for being during this time. I'm a noob to crypto and did just say leveraging to grow, thinking bull market with Trump, no brainer. Irish Red, everyone's been here, man. Don't sweat it, dude. It will work its way back. You know what I mean? It will honestly work its way back. Look at this, dude. We're back into 230s for XRP. See, this is just this is like real. We saw this back over here, guys. This is exactly what happened over here on the 24th, December 23rd. We saw it back here on December 9th. And we're seeing it right now. This is I mean, we see this stuff in more. This is a really big one though. And we'll build back. FTX never bounced back ever. Yeah, well, yeah, it never would. Awesome. What do you think about DAO? What do I think about DAOs? I like DAOs. I think DAOs are good. Trump can't add XRP to any reserves until the case is over. I've been following a few YouTubers, and you're the most legit. Stay positive. Oh, Billy, I appreciate that a ton, man. Thank you so much. Let's definitely go. Austin, you need this in your portfolio. You talking about the Swift coin? Looks like I'll be eating 2-minute noodles for a while. Hey, you're funny, man. That's funny. You got it at 189.99. Good, dude. Sticking strong. We'll be fine. Yeah. Do you think it's gonna drop further? I don't know. We'll see if this is kind of a relief. I mean, that's a pretty big wick right there on the day, right? Even on the 1 hour, that's a pretty big wick on the 1 hour or the 4 hour right there. Here's the 1 hour. I mean, we're building back out of that 1 hour pretty strong right there. 170, 172.73. That's pretty wild. Oh, you talked myself out of closing the XRP. Did you lose Brodick location services? Finally hit 2K XRP. Thank you to the fearful. Hell yeah. If we buy now, we'll be able in the green when a $3 XRP. Yeah. XRP is already back to 227. So again, it's going to try to find an area. Down 8K myself, had no issues in the world. We are good peeps. Yes. Just keep doing your thing, man. Thanks for pointing out the scammers on X. Oh yeah, dude, definitely block those people. Those are definitely not me. So yeah, there's a lot of scammers out there. So please be careful. Lost in the chat. No, Corey, you're not. I'm trying to keep up with you guys. Sorry. There's a lot of people in the chat. We got almost 5,000 people in here, and it's hard to keep up. I still think I'm like 15 minutes behind, dude. Austin should have listened to you. Was using leverage and got killed. Paul, it's okay, man. Hopefully, yeah, it's all learning opportunities. These are all learning opportunities for sure. From now on, spot trade buying. All right. I've learned my lessons too, man. I've learned my lessons. We all learn lessons in these, and especially days like today, you learn them quick, right? I joke when I say that I paid for my almost like a college tuition with all the things I did wrong in my early days of crypto. I could have paid for a college tuition, so I kind of paid for a college tuition of going through crypto with all the losses. Oh, sorry, I'm snuffly a little bit, stuff it up a little bit. Longs got destroyed. Yes, dude, they got absolutely beat up. Paul P, thanks so much for being here for 1 month, dude. Should have listened to you. Leverage fed me in. You're good, dude. Yeah, thanks so much for the 1 month, man. I knew this was all crash. Wells needed to take profits. I bought last night, putting 3K in tomorrow morning. The prices are still low. All right, dude. Next generation. I'm kind of with you. You know what I mean? I'm going to continue to monitor this, and I'll probably throw some more money in if I have to. Those bottom dips, people are having a good night. Yeah, these dips right here are really good. Even I'm excited for some of these. You know what I mean? Some of these got in at really good pricing. This is the wrong chart. This is the chart. I mean, $2, $2.25, $2.45. Average price is sitting here around $2.19. You know, so I mean, I'm even walking away from this feeling a little bit better. My H bar is I just hit here. I forgot to see that, but it did hit my it did hit back here at the 222.5. So that's my break even point, 222.5. So even I'm still down just a slight bit, but still working our way back. Leverage is getting rich quick and die poor faster. That's true, Corey. That is true. Anyone having issues with Uphold? I think everyone's having issues with a lot of exchanges right now and moving money off the exchanges because they need money on the exchanges right now. So I sent ETH. About an hour ago to my wallet, and I still haven't received it yet. It's still pending. So you got to think that even waiting for that is taking a while. So it's still pending. I wanted to buy the Pure Wallet token tonight before the next timer is up on it, and I haven't been able to get my ETH yet to be able to do that. So until that comes, I'll be sitting here hoping and waiting. When you edit a limit, does Coinbase charge a fee? No, they don't charge a fee, Marty. You think the SEC case gets dismissed? Yes, I think the SEC and the Ripple case gets dismissed. The gift cabin. Thanks so much for $2, dude. Go 30x long for a payday, dude. That's wild, bro. That would be wild. But hey, man, to each our own, right? Yeah. So it's showing right now that the average time is about 1 hour. Damn, dude. 1 hour. 1 hour waiting, dude. That's pretty crazy. That is pretty crazy right now. 1 hour for my pending to still waiting 1 hour for my Ethereum to come over to my wallet. That's just blows my mind that we still that we're still here in this time, like, and we're still waiting for this. This is where exchanges are just kind of like, I mean, it's kind of scary, right, guys? I mean, when you think about it, like, we're still sitting here waiting. This is why decentralization is so important. And if you guys are new to crypto, please focus on decentralization and moving money from your exchanges into a non-custodial wallet, because it's so important that you guys actually follow through with that. Decentralization and owning your crypto is the most important thing in here. And I think that this whole event right here is another reason why it's just super important for you to actually, to do that. You know what I mean? And I just got to say I'm just putting in my 2 cents. And yeah, it just blows my mind that it takes this long to get your stuff off of exchanges. I had this issue with Solana. I didn't think I was going to have it with Ethereum. I mean, it's just Coinbase. Come on, guys. You know what I mean? Let's see here. I'm assuming a long-term bag is another account and not the same as your swing trade account. Why just move it to a non-custodial wallet, right? So you can move it to like a ledger. You can move it to anything other than an exchange is kind of where I keep my long-term stuff. Different wallets, Austin, for bags and swings trades. I know. So my long-term bags are on my ledger, guys. So my long-term bags are on my ledger. I swing trade on Coinbase. I don't even keep them the same, dude. They're not even close. I don't even intermix them. I haven't plugged this back in since November. So again, I do go on to I do go over here to like MetaMask, and I have my accounts over here, and things like that I mess around with. For, I'm waiting for, like I said, I'm still waiting for my money to come over here to my MetaMask wallet so I could buy in on the Pure Wallet pre-sale that's coming out, and I wanted to buy into that, but now it's stuck. That $5,000 that I'm trying to get in Ethereum over here to put into the Pure Wallet pre-sale is still stuck on the exchange right now. So until that comes, that's what I'm going to do. So I usually get scared, but this one low shook me. But if you're on an exchange, definitely move it over to a non-custodial, like a MetaMask or like a SafePal. There's move it over to like a SafePal wallet or something like that, so that you're not stuck on an exchange. What do you think about ZX? I don't even know what that is. Austin, I'm on a plane sweating like crazy. 100K coins. Every cent is $100. Oh my gosh, Adam, I'm with you, dude. That's tough, dude. I love it. Didn't think we'd be able to buy XRP under $3. Yeah, that's crazy. 225 was kind of where I was like joking around, like, hey, dude, this is where I'm going to be. Carlos. Anyone think XRP at 330? Yeah. Sui is climbing up too. Yeah, let's take a look at Sui right here. Sui is coming back. This was actually this would have been another good swing trade here if someone got in on this one. You can see it's starting to make its way up here, which is nice, right? That's a nice little swing back upward, but everything's going to make its way back for sure. We're creeping back up. Yeah, we should. Dana, thanks so much, man. I appreciate you. Thanks for the kind words. Fight, stand strong. A team, bring it on, baby. Heck yeah. What do you think about Caspa? I think Caspa's good, Austin. I like Caspa. I like all the anything that can be mineable is good. What's supposed to happen tomorrow? What might change the markets? I think just, I don't know what's going to change. Trump talking about, who knows? Trump can do whatever. He can do whatever, really, at this point. Bigger distant. Yeah, Austin is a good guy, right, fan? Why did the newbie bring? Because the whale told him we're going to the moon. What are your thoughts on ADA? ADA's, it's down. It's rough. What's down 10K from profits didn't even phase me. Yeah, I mean, we've all been here before. So pissed. I got more cash coming in tomorrow. I want $202 XRP and 20. I'm with you, bro. I'm with you. Yeah, their channel donations. Ondo bouncing back nicely. Yeah, Ondo's looking good too. Answer yes. It will drop depending on China's response. Yeah, it'll probably be. They'll have their conversation tomorrow. As you guys can see, I mean, Trump is going to talk. It came out today that Trump is going to be in talks with Mexico and China or Canada over the tariff thing. So I think that will help big time. The alert expired. I didn't see this drop. Yeah. Did you get tired of answering questions all the time? No, I think it's actually, I mean, that's kind of what makes me different than I think a lot of other channels is I try to catch everyone. I don't catch everyone's comments or things, but I do try to respond and try to keep up with everything that we're doing over here. So that's kind of, I guess, what separates me in some way, right? We all do our own thing here on YouTube, and I really try to catch everyone's comments, or at least try to. Absolute dump in price before Japan starts using XRP. That's pretty crazy, right? That is pretty crazy, I will admit. But yeah, I definitely try to talk to everyone at some point. I might miss it at some point, but I do try to come back, and if you keep commenting, I probably will catch it at some point. I wonder what will happen in NVIDIA F college. You're going to have to hire 20 more chat moderators. Hey, Austin, do you know which coin is a legit one? The World Liberty, I don't know if it's actually out right now. It's not even out right now. The World Liberty Financial, which is Trump's pre-sale token that's coming out. I don't think you can actually buy this. Yeah, it's still out for pre-sale right now. I don't think anyone can actually go buy this. So yeah, you got to be careful. I don't think any of them launched out there. And if they do, you got to realize you got to be careful. You got to find the contract before this launches. Carrie, thanks so much for the $2, dude. Good night, A team. Hold the fort. Yeah, hold the fort. Oh my gosh, appreciate you, Carrie. Thanks so much for the donation. And yeah, we'll hold the fort down for you, dude. Y'all bots giving this random money for making speculative videos. All right, Don. Appreciate you being here, man. How can I keep being liquidated? I'm new to this. Yeah, you gotta stay out of that leverage trading. You know what I mean? I know you loaded up on Jasmine. I did not. Instead, you had a hard knock crypto education. That's exactly what it is. Hard knock crypto education. Timothy, thanks so much for $2. Dude. Appreciate the positivity. You can't find it anywhere. This is a tough space, Tim, to be in and have positivity. You can see right there. I'll show you some positivity right here. You got people like this. This is what you deal with on a daily basis. Where are you at, Don? Where you at, Don? Right here. That's some positivity for you. Good old Don. I understand that everyone's down right now. I think Bitcoin got scammed out of my XRP 2 weeks ago. Gosh, dang! Now it's time to build back. Heck yeah! Kraken's killing it. Yeah, hopefully Kraken's not holding up people's money. Juan, thanks so much for the $5 donation to the channel, man. Appreciate that a ton. Thank you very, very much. Never using Uphold again. See, Uphold's kryptonite for me, man. Road to the Philippines. Thanks so much for the $2, dude. Money moves from impatient hands to patient hands. That is true. That is true. if you're patient, things will work out really nicely for you. ETH is garbage. I would agree. ETH can be. ETH is my second largest bag. I still hold it, and yet it's the slowest thing in the world. 998 team. See y'all tomorrow. All right, Moist Mike, take it easy, man. You got me killed in XRP. Lost nearly everything. Hope you can sleep at night. Well, you got to work your way out of it, man. No one else pulled the trigger but you. I think that's really what it comes down to. You got to be careful where you're pulling your money, especially when it comes to leverage trading. You got to be careful with it. You know what I mean? If you haven't sold, you haven't lost. As a newbie, this is a great learning experience. Thank you for the great attitude. No problem. You think big money will make another aggressive move overnight? It could, very well could, right? We're starting to see it come back a little bit here. It'll settle down. Hopefully around the 225 marker is where it settles down a little bit. 5K peeps watching and only 17 likes. Yeah, I'm still far behind on the chat here. I'm going to try to catch up to you guys while I scroll down here. Bro, this is the time to buy. Why stress? Yeah, don't stress out right now. Tell us about the Pure Wallet. Do you guys want to know about the Pure Wallet? There's a Pure Wallet for sale. There's a pre-sale, I guess is what I'm trying to say. If you guys want to look at it, it's up to you. I'll actually just pin it in the I'll let you guys do your own research on it. I'll pin it in the chat for you guys, and you guys can take a look at it if you'd like. Let's see here. I'll pin it in the chat. You guys, I'll pin it to the top up here. It's the website. You guys can take a look at it if you'd like. It is a pre-sale. That's what I'm going to try to get into today before the thing goes up. So did Trump end income tax? No, he did not. Austin, I'm on a plane. Yeah, it's not. Don't sweat, dude. Don't sweat. JPEG, thanks so much for the $5. Dude, Austin in the chat. I posted a video on X that I sent a few times. Would be a good watch as a group. Can you find it and show it? I'll have to find. I'll probably show. I could probably show it tomorrow or something like that. I'll have to take a look at it before I just click on it. So, yeah, thanks for giving me a heads up, and I appreciate the $5. Thanks so much, and I'll see if I can find it. You said you sent it in my my Twitter page. Is that or on my Twitter side? If you sent it over there, that'd be good. Are you buying the dip? Yeah, we bought a lot of the dip here, and we so appreciate you. Yeah, no problem. But yeah, I sent that. I did pin that in the chat. Up the top there. Just subscribe. Oh, I appreciate that, Josh. Do Americans really hate Canadians? No, I don't think so. I love Canadians, dude. Some of our best friends are Canadian. Austin kick ass, so smash that like. Appreciate you, Deb. Damn, I missed that one. What's up, Big Watch? Love you, Austin. In a month, everyone will have forgotten today and wish they could have done more. Right, Billion? Right, I'm with you, bro. A lot of people are gonna look back and go, man, remember when we were buying that $2? Dude just picked up ADA like half off. Dude, yeah. We picked up a lot of things half off right here, dude. This is the patient game, 100%. Here's some positivity for you. At one time, I was down 500K today. I came here to shoot the shit with the A team. Let's go. I know Warsaw. I know you come in pretty hot, man, and appreciate you, dude. Yo, blaming Oz for losing everything is FUBAR. I appreciate you, Adam. As always, dude. Always holding it down for me. A lot of you guys hold it down for me, and I do appreciate that. Invest more than you can lose. Yeah, I appreciate that. Like you said, Phantom Wallet pretty safe. Phantom Wallet has had its issues before. But I think I'm more of like a MetaMask safe pal. But I do have Phantom. I just don't use it a lot. Only for like when I use Solana type stuff. Yeah, accountability is tough in this space, right? Taking responsibility is kind of hard. I know when people are down, it's easy to place blame. But we're all here trying to win, and that's what it comes down to. Which one's real? The one if you click on the link, Derek, that one's a Pure Wallet. It looks like this. The logo looks like that right there. It looks like that for the Pure Wallet. And you click on the App Store. You can actually go to the website and click on the App Store one right here, and it'll take you to the App Store. So yeah, that's the one that's real. So there are two on there. So yeah, be careful. It's super volatile this week. Yeah, and I'm trying to get there because right now with the Pure Wallet, I'm trying to get there before we have 13 hours left before the price goes up, and so I'm trying to get in on it before the price goes up. We're gonna see some great stuff this week. I believe we'll get some good news. I hope so too. The stock market's going to be a bloodbath tomorrow. It's already lining up to be like that. It's already lining up to be like that. Just a tad bit right here. We're up roughly. Yeah, I mean this is climbing right now. Gosh dang, dude, the Nasdaq's up to 554. Gosh dang. This is at 450 when we first started the stream. Now it's at 554. That's crazy, dude. What platform do you trade on? I trade on Coinbase. It's about tariffs. Don't fall for the trap. No, it's on YouTube. Okay, in YouTube chat. Well, send it to me. Send it to me in my down below. I have my at AuzSOME on X. Send it to me there, and I'll be able to look at it there. A grown man being mad about the drop, like he's been forced to buy. I know, King. Hey man, it's part of the game, right? People get a little upset, and again, I'm not here to rub it in. That's crazy to me. I do not. Everyone should. I do not have a dog. Everyone should take the SEC and listen to the song Ripple. Is there such a thing as that? I appreciate you, Jacob. Yeah, I know people will blame me. It's okay. It's all positivity, dude. We're bouncing back, and that's all that matters. We're bouncing back. We'll see if we can find a nice little level of support in here somewhere and continue to build off of that. I'm Canadian. Hell yeah, Tracy. Yeah, no, Canadians are great, man. Like I said, like our best friends are Canadian. How do you put your XRP on the Pure Wallet? On your Pure Wallet, Pure Wallet has to. It's not on mainnet yet, so you have to wait for it to come on the mainnet. But I could definitely show you guys how to do it. But we're waiting for it to come on mainnet tomorrow, which is Monday. It's in testnet right now, so don't send any money there until it comes to mainnet. I'm down 30K in November to about 12K right now. Total 5K just today. Any advice in these hard times? Yeah, just got to keep holding on, bud. Just keep holding on. Don't give up. We'll come back strong. So that's my best advice to you, dude. Right now, SafePal is kind of the best wallet that I have. As of right now for a non-custodial wallet. I haven't used Arculus wallet before. Trezor wallet. Never used the Trezor wallet. I've used Ledger for my cold storage, and I've used SafePal and MetaMask for my HOTS. I'm not a big fan of Trust Wallet. It's okay. It's kind of clunky, and it's not my favorite. Same with Coinbase Wallet. Like, they're not my favorite. Pure Wallet will eventually be dropping out here, and that'll be a cold storage and a hot wallet all in one. So, which would be pretty badass. Yeah, you're right. He took it out of me because he's here. Yeah, sometimes you gotta let it out. I'll be your soundboard for being upset. I'll take it. I'm okay. I'm comfortable with it. Who gets mad at buying opportunities? I don't know, man. MetaMask, you need your secret phrase. Yeah, make sure you write down your phrase for sure. ETH is wrecked. I mean, ETH came down hot, dude. ETH, I thought we were going to get down into the freaking, I mean, look at that, dude. I thought we were going to hit into the 1900s. I was like, oh my gosh, dude. I think we're kind of baking in tomorrow. I think the crypto market has actually baked in what tomorrow is going to happen tomorrow in the stock markets. That's kind of how I feel right now. I could be wrong. Like I said, I've been wrong today. It feels like a lot. So, 174 is a pretty big dip. Yeah, I think we're kind of cooking in already. Yeah, press the buy button. I appreciate that. He reminds me of the movie Dumb Money. I'm holding and buying the disc. Finally allowed to buy on Coinbase again. Okay, so it finally came through. Nice. That's good. It finally came through. Let's see here. Let's see. Did mine finally come through? Oh shoot, mine finally came through too. Okay, cool. Mine finally came through on you on there as well. All right. Links in YouTube chat room. Great video. Show it to everyone. Okay, I will. I appreciate the $5. I'll definitely show it to everyone. I'll take a look at it first, then I'll see what I can do. Do a fib on the total of the 3 election days. Once SafePal wallet gets a little more set, I'll move to that. Yeah, Safe Wallet's pretty good from a hot wallet. Madison, thanks so much for $5, dude. What a user-friendly wallet. Phantom is difficult to maneuver. SafePal is your best bet, dude. For newer people coming in for a hot wallet, SafePal is the best bet right now, for sure. I like SafePal the most. It's really easy to use. Yeah, it's because it's not on mainnet yet, Joel. So eventually the VPN right now, I think it's restricted because it's not on mainnet. Once it hits mainnet, you'll be able to use it. So they're updating it right now to get onto mainnet for tomorrow. So that's kind of the goal right now. So yeah. But you don't have to have the pure wallet downloaded to be able to buy the token. You just need to go. You just have to use like a MetaMask or a SafePal wallet to do it. Let's see here. Yes, I did. Anyone get the God candles? Yeah. So before I miss out, before I miss on the opportunity, I'm gonna actually connect. So again, I'm going to my SafePal wallet here. And I'm gonna buy this. I want to buy this real quick. Hold on. Actually, well, hold on. Just a sec. I had to figure that out real quick. Hold on. I'll make sure that money came in. Ripple released a exchange. Oh, okay. Oz, do you do the pure wallet tokens get airdropped? Yeah, they'll get airdropped to whatever wallet you use. Yeah, 100%. I got to get into my SafePal wallet here real quick. I'll probably forget to do this if I don't do it. All right. All right, cool. There it is. All right, we'll do it from MetaMask. All right, so my money did come in. Heck yeah, dude. So you can see right there, my money did come in. Finally came in. Gosh dang. Dude, that's crazy. The whole chat just got lost right there. Let's see here. My current comments. Dude, that's crazy. The whole stream just like completely. No. Dude, I wonder if am I still streaming right now? Or did I get kicked off? Damn crazy how viewers go down so fast. Dude, I can't even see the stream right now, guys. Hopefully I'm still on. My other side came down pretty hot right now. Can you guys still see me? My StreamYard video came down. Oh crap. That was weird, dude. The StreamYard thing came crazy. Like it like completely got taken down. That's wild, dude. That was crazy. The whole like thing on StreamYard came down and I was like, dude, what is going on here? Yeah, you're still here. Okay, cool. We can see you. Cool. Yeah, you're still going 4K watching. Now it's crazy. It was like all just shut down. My money had been stuck in Webull for a while. Gotcha. Okay. Gotcha. Okay. I was like, dude, what is going on here? All right. What's an opinion? What are the free handshakes? Love you, Austin. Bill, I appreciate you. Yeah. No, thanks so much for being here. Let's see here. YouTube crashing. You are. Damn, I thought Base had its own chain. It does. That's Dave messing with you. I know. No, Ripple just released a wallet. Oh, that's. I didn't know that they actually released something like that. Okay. I didn't know they released something like that. Coinbase is American offline. You are good here. Nice. But yeah, so I'm just gonna go connect my wallet real quick. Connect MetaMask. Let me get this in here real quick. So I'm gonna go. You don't want to do max. Let's just do 2.1 here. Puts me about there. We'll buy with crypto. Now it's gonna process. It's gonna come over here and ask me for it. It's gonna be about roughly $13 to confirm. We're gonna confirm it. And now we wait. No Ripple, good on the red. Yeah. Austin, is Pure Wallet launching tomorrow? Not going to launch tomorrow. No, not going to launch tomorrow. Said XRP was going to 10 last thing. All right, it's completed. Cool. It got completed. Now we go back in here. Let's actually refresh this. Boom. There he goes. Just bought it right there. Finally in. Got it in right there, dude. 5,000 in right there. Boom. Done. Coming in hot. Gonna own some Pure Wallet tokens now. Gonna be making sure I make a change to it. Holding down the governance side of it. Damn, you're still here, Austin. I am still here. So yeah. 226. So Bitcoin. So Ripple is back up to 227. Bitcoin candle not impressive 4 hour. Yeah, it's not too bad. What are you going to set your bid to overnight? Good question. The ETH gas fees are 80%. I just on that transaction right there, I paid Just on that transaction right there, I paid $13 for Bitcoin, which is crazy, right? That's kind of or for Ethereum. I paid $13 on Ethereum for that transaction right there. YouTube was always down for a minute. Yeah, I bought 730 pure wallet token in my mouse, but it's not showing. Yeah, because it's not airdrop to you yet. So it's in the it won't drop to your wallet until it gets launched. So you can come back here and connect it back in the wallet, and you'll see your balance. But these pure wallet tokens will not go into your wallet until the launch happens. Austin, you broke the market holding that 225. I know. Yeah, it's kind of crazy, right? Here we're at 223 though. We're still working our way back up here, which is kind of nice. This is your chance to get into Swift. Not gonna lie, I was 2 seconds away from selling my XRP when it hit under $2. Damn. I did the pre-sale first time you spoke of it at 4 cents, and it expired after 2 days, and then did nothing, was put into the Coinbase wallet. It's because it's not until you get launched, Michael. So when you buy these, it's basically going in it, and they're holding it until they launch, and then when they launch, they'll airdrop you the token. So it's not until it launches. This will probably continue to rise. I don't know. I have to ask the team. I don't know exactly when the next level is going to be or what it's going to be, but this will go up in price probably. Eventually probably go to $5, $6, $7. It's sitting at 4. When it first came out, it was 4 cents. Now it's 4.31, and then it'll probably continue to rise higher and higher and higher. That's usually how they work. And so, you secure a lower price right now in anticipation that's going to be a higher price when it launches. That's why again, that's the difference between pre-sales and getting in, is you try to get in at a cheaper price for the token. That's the whole point of a pre-sale. So again, I was trying to allocate money when it launched at 4. I think I bought like $1,000 at 4 cents. And then I was trying to get my ETH over there to be able to buy at this level. So finally, like I said, I just bought that 5,000 at this level. So it's going to expire here in a couple hours. I'll probably be sleeping when it expires. Jacob, thanks so much for the $5. Do you remember that dude that came into the chat a few days ago, said XRP is going to 180? I need his number. I think it was Kev, dude. I think it was Kev. Yeah, Kev. We XRP holders just made 10x over the last few months. Yeah, there's a lot. We made a lot of money on this for sure. My first time in crypto, and I'm still holding. Hell yeah, dude. Yeah, I just realized that the app, Donnie, don't send any money to the app until it's on mainnet. Donnie, just to let you know. So you can download Pure Wallet and mess around with it, but until it's actually up on mainnet, you don't want to send any money to it. If you're gonna, you have to, if you want to buy the token, you got to actually use like a MetaMask or SafePal to then buy it on the thing. Don't be using the Pure Wallet. People do mess that up a little bit. Thoughts on Injective? I don't know if I know that. Why Pure Wallet? Pure Wallet's just a project that's launching. It's the first cold storage. It'll be a cold storage on your phone, which is pretty badass. ETF's gonna get wrecked tomorrow. I don't know. I think people are gonna actually come in on the ETFs, dude. That's just my opinion. That's just my opinion, though. 193 is a strong support. XRP, it's looking like it's a pretty strong support right now. It's up to 227 now. God bless Canadians. Yeah, morning from Italy, back to work. Hi, fan. What's up? What's going on, man? CryptoZeno, good to see you. He still hasn't put the wallet back in the safe yet. I know I need to put it back in, dude. It's still sitting here. I need to put it back in and just have my box up here. I think we're going to slingshot to 5-6 next week. You think so? I don't know. I don't know. I have to ask the team what they're going to work for, but I mean, I think that if they do, they should work for big exchanges versus small ones. But the best part about this, which is cool about the whole SafePal thing, about the Pure Wallet, is that you can use it in an offline setting, and you can send money in an offline setting, and it's like super fast. Or like when you're sending it from like an exchange, it kind of sucks because sending it from an exchange, it took over an hour to get to your wallet. With Pure Wallet, it's all going to be in an offline setting. It goes fast. I put the link up. It's pinned up top. AP. It's a Pure Wallet token. It's a pre-sale coming out right now. Where do most people keep their cold storage wallets safe? Keep them with you at all times, etc. They usually keep them in a safe, which is why access to these things is really hard. Like today. If you're traveling and you don't have access to your access to your ledger to make the trades, you'll lose on these dips, right? If you saved your stuff in Ledger and you don't have it with you, you'll lose. Again, that's where, again, I'm not here to talk, but that's why Pure Wallet's going to be badass, because it's going to be a cold storage on your phone. And you'll have access to it 24/7, and you'll be able to make those transactions really, really fast and not have to sweat it. Again, bought 5,000 Pure Wallet tokens. I have a treasure wallet. This is super interesting. Oh, Kelton, that's awesome, dude. 5,000. Yeah, it's a really cool. I mean, it's the first wallet out there, ISO certified, and it's going to be a cold storage, offline storage, and it's going to be offline. It's going to be a cold and a hot wallet all in one on your phone. So first time that's ever happened in the space, and I'm kind of excited for it, to be honest with you. I put out a tweet on today just because I think it's going to compete. I don't know if you guys know what Tornado Cash is, but Tornado Cash is obviously something in the space that people talk about. But like, I think that they're going to be a competitor right here. I said, exciting times to move crypto in an offline setting. This is the next evolution of crypto in DeFi. It'll be Tornado Cash on steroids, because Tornado Cash is only Ethereum, where here you're able to send any crypto, whether that's XRP, HBAR, Solana, Bitcoin. You can all send those in an offline transaction, and they're super fast. Where with Tornado Cash, it's only Ethereum, right? If you click on Tornado Cash, which everyone's heard of, it's an Ethereum decentralization private transaction on the Ethereum network only. So just differences, but this will be Tornado Cash on steroids pretty much. Hope everyone's having fun tonight. Absolutely, Sam. Absolutely having fun. I don't think you're gonna be able to buy it yet, but $39.99. Yeah, you'll eventually be able to buy the cold storage. I don't think you can buy it yet until it's on mainnet, but that's the cold storage one-time fee for you to have it forever. And $5 to $10 of that's going to go back to buy the Pure Wallet token at face value. So that's a cool part with one of the use cases of the wallet is people that buy the cold storage, money will go back and buy and bring up the price of the Pure Wallet token. That's the whole goal behind it. And it's 100% locked liquidity, and it's renounced contract. So with the Pure Chain, you don't need a treasure, and either you buy or sell trade with it being online. Yeah, you wouldn't need a treasure. You would have the Pure Wallet, and then you would just have your money over there on the Pure Wallet, and the Pure Chain would allow it to be zero gas fees. That's the whole goal with the Pure Chain, is to create zero gas fees. So, yeah, the safe PAL would take place of like a treasure. Before I go, how many cold storage wallets went up in smoke in Los Angeles last month? Probably a lot, bro. That's the scary thing is that you'll never, these will always be in a safe. But with something like I said, with a Pure Wallet or something like on your phone, you'll always have access to it. So yeah, something to consider. Because they go into an offline setting. That's the patented technology that they've created. This is coming from NS Labs, which is a pretty big lab out of South Korea. They work with KIT, which is Kumo Institute of Technology, and it's a patented technology. They move it to an offline setting on the phone. And so your tokens are sitting in an offline setting, which then you can move them into a cold storage in an offline setting, and or you can move them across the blockchain and in an offline setting. So yeah, it's kind of badass. The technology is completely different than anything out there right now. And once you move to an offline setting, you can't touch them. No, Coinbase Wallet is a hot wallet. It's not a cold wallet. So cold storage, what's the name of that? Cold storage. This one's Ledger. What I was talking about. That's the Ledger one. I connect my wallet, but I can't figure out how to buy. So Jimmy, you gotta either, if you're on your phone, Jimmy, sometimes you gotta actually go to the website and copy this and put it into the wallet. So copy and paste it inside the wallet's browser. And or you can try to connect the wallet and do it that way. So it's really up to you. But usually, like I said, if it's Coinbase Wallet, you got to actually copy this address, the purewallet.ai, and paste that into the browser inside your wallet, and then buy inside the wallet that way. Coinbase that's the only way in Coinbase, and sometimes SafePal had to do that as well. So something to consider for Pure Chain. Yeah, Pure Chain is what the Pure Wallet will be the interface for the Pure Chain that's going to launch. So yeah, do your research. PureChain.com is also something that they're going to be launching later this year. Alex, thanks so much for the $5, dude. How is cold wallet if it's on your phone like that? Yeah, I think I explained it when you said it earlier. Thanks so much for the $5, but yeah, it goes into it's patented technology, goes into your offline setting. Rich people have fireproof safe. That's true. I don't know if I saw some of those things. I don't know if those safes held up, bro. Those things were wiped out. Those things were wiped out, dude. offline wallet. Because with Exodus offline wallet, you still have to have a key to access it, right? For the Exodus. So the Exodus offline wallet, I think, is the same thing. You still have to have, for the cold storage, I think you still have to have a device with you to access it, right? With Exodus. I think that, I don't know if there's a wallet you can actually do that. In my opinion, Pure Wallet is going to be the next biggest thing. Jacob, I appreciate it. That's cool. Yeah. Cold Wallet is trending. Well, I mean, people should be moving their stuff over to Cold Wallet. Yes, you can swap. You'll be able to swap on Pure Wallet once it's up on mainnet for sure. Tangem safe. Yeah, Tangem safe for sure. What's a good amount to put into XRP? That's really up to you, man. That's really up to you. Coinbase eats the bug. You guys are crazy, dude. You guys are crazy. Thank you for explaining it. Cheers. Yeah. And then one cool thing about it too, man, that's really cool is that, when it's in an offline setting, you don't have to have the internet connected either, right? You can send in an offline setting with no internet. That's another part that's badass. What's your thoughts on a seedless hardware wallet? I wouldn't trust it. You have to have a seed phrase, Jack. A seedless hardware. I mean, there's no way to access it again, right? If you lose it, you'll have no access, right? So you gotta make sure you have that kind of stuff. It's for the Pure Wallet, Josh. The Pure Wallet, if you buy the cold storage for the $39.95, you'll have it forever. As long as you have your seed phrase, you'll have access to it forever. Like with ledgers, if you lose this ledger, you got to go buy a new ledger. It could take up to 7 to 14 days before you get your ledger. If you lose your phone, you just get a new phone, download the app, put your seed phrase in, and you have your cold storage back up and running again. You don't have to wait, 7 days or however long it takes to get this as well. So yeah, Pure Wallet 2. Yeah, that's because it's in mine shows up as Pure Wallet 2 as well. And it's because it's in testnet right now. So that'll eventually just be Pure Wallet. Thanks, dude. Great stream tonight. Appreciate you guys. Yeah, no, appreciate you too, dude. Madison, thanks so much for the $5, dude. Do I need to have ETH in my wallet to purchase Pure Wallet tokens? Yeah, you'll have to have ETH in your non-custodial wallet. So move it to a SafePal wallet to then go over to Pure Wallet and connect your wallet here. So you'll connect like your MetaMask wallet, like I did right there. Just connect it, hit MetaMask or whatever wallet you have. It's going to pop up and ask you to connect, just like you see right here. It's going to ask you to connect. So you'll just connect it. And then you'll be able to see the tokens. And again, you don't want to max out your ETH because you got to pay for gas fees. So you don't want to put like for here, if I bought more, I wouldn't want to put 1830. I want to put maybe 17 to maybe account for my gas fees. So just be prepared for that. You got to prepare for gas fees with ETH. I don't think we're gonna have a big crash tomorrow. Why do you need a wallet? Well, because you shouldn't be on exchanges, dude. Exchanges are super dangerous. People, if it's on exchanges, you don't own your crypto. So just realize that if you're on an exchange, you do not hold any of your crypto. You don't own it. It's like putting your money in a bank. So you move it to these wallets so that you actually physically own it now. Now you are the custodian of those tokens. Yeah, Ledger's trustworthy. Yeah, I've had Ledger for a long time. Chris Shea, thanks so much for being here for 1 month, dude. Hell of a day to make my 1 month membership. Hell yeah, dude. Appreciate you, Chris. Thanks for being here, dude. And yeah, happy that you've been here for 1 month. Do you have any other crypto that you are currently invested in? XRP, yeah, XLM, YouTube user, XLM, HBAR, all that kind of stuff. Yeah, we're in a lot of those. Pure Wallet or Trust Wallet. Well, Pure Wallet's still on testnet. So, it's still working its way out. And so Trust Wallet's been around for a long time, but those are the two. Trust Wallet and Pure Wallet are the only two crypto wallets out there that are ISO certified for security. So that's kind of badass. Trust Wallet, I don't use Trust Wallet because it's a little clunky for me. And then, like I said, Pure Wallet's kind of the newer tech coming out with the offline and cold storage built in, which no other wallet has that. Trust Wallet doesn't have it. SafePal doesn't have it. MetaMask doesn't have it. So just kind of different, right? It's okay to have different wallets. And, the big thing is that regardless of wallets, dude, regardless of the wallets that are out there, no one has offline transactions. This is the only wallet ever created so far that has offline transactions. So you can send money, like I could send you money in an offline setting, and you'll get it instantly. You'll accept it, and it'll go to your wallet without the internet, with nothing, dude. It just sends. You can do it in an offline setting across the blockchain. No one else has that. It's kind of badass. Tomorrow's the biggest day in crypto. It is. It's gonna be a big day. We'll see how tomorrow works out, right? Don't be a hero. ETH fees are insane. ETH fees are up a little bit right now. Bro, you'd be doing that, but I found if you buy currency somewhere else, you can buy on Coinbase. You can, yes. Bro, I got one at XRP down $200. I'm so mad at myself for not taking profits. It's okay, baby. It'll come back, baby slick. It'll come back. I'm not seeing a pre-sale place to buy like it showed you. If you click on bag, if you click, I think I put the link above. I actually pinned the link. If you click on it where it says Pure Wallet there, in the pinned section of the chat right there, it will take you to the wallet, dude. It'll take you there. I would recommend. I want to get my first wallet. What are you recommending? It's really up to you. I mean, you're talking about cold storage, Devin. Talking about cold storage. I don't know what KSM is. Thanks so much for the $5, man. I don't know what KSM is. Great recession's coming, you think, on to win? Is XRP now a good time to buy? I like XRP, yeah. Ethereum needs to go to 0 and all money go to HBAR. What's up, Kokor? I love it, dude. I don't own a Tangent, Michael. I should buy one just to see how it plays, you know. Please like and subscribe. Outdoor Nature, thanks so much. Giving you a shout. Oh, Mama AA, thanks so much, man. You calmed me down. I appreciate you being on here and hanging out too. Thank you so much. Oh, this is the time. It would be nice if cold storage wallets offered crypto baskets. I want to buy the market right now. That'd be nice, right? All right, Mark. Take it easy. Good night to you as well. Thanks for being level-headed. Yeah, no problem, man. Thanks for being here too. What about based memes? You know, you haven't messed around with them. I think Brett's like the only one, but I don't really mess with that one at all. So I got 10K in crypto on Coinbase, no wallet, no idea what that is or how to use it. This dangerous for long holds. Yeah, you don't want to be on an exchange, right? Like I just told you, I mean, Coinbase held my Ethereum for over an hour to get to my wallet, right? And it held my Solana for up to 9 hours last time when I was trying to switch over for the when the whole Trump coin came out, right? It held there for 9 hours. So to get your money off these exchanges can be really hard, especially in times like this where the market's going crazy. And we're actually building back up right now. We've had a nice little 2 hours that we're building back up. We're up to 228. So, dude, I'm now in the green. I've been in the green since 220. So things are looking pretty good right now. Yellow Snow, thanks so much for being here. Good night to you. But yeah, you want to get your money off the exchanges onto a hot wallet or a cold storage, whatever you prefer. Andrew L, thanks so much for being here for 1 month, man. HBAR and Doge on fire sales. Yeah, they are killing it right now. HBAR is back up to 222 right now. So slowly starting to build its way back up. I'm going to be in the profits here at 222, which will be nice. Or sorry, 22. What's happening tomorrow, Austin? Oh, just right here you got you just got the stock markets coming out. It's a little hot right now in terms of the markets. So we're going to have the markets opening up out here. So that's what's going to be happening here. Oh, you get to your second month at Austin watching from Australia. Oh, I love your content. Thank you, Dion. Thank you so much. It's nice of you. I appreciate that. Hong Kong is no longer a buyer of Ripple. Really? Down 27K, Mandy. I'm with you. I'm down too, dude. You're not the only one. Yeah, I think a lot of people are down today. A lot of people saw profits leave their wallets today. I do not use leverage when trading a whole lot. No. Tandem and Ledger are my favorite. All right, just ordered a Tandem and want to transfer my Coinbase to Collab and okay. Yeah, I mean, getting a wallet's the best thing you do. Do your leverage. I do not use leverage. No. Oh, the Tandem ring can make you a target. Oh, I didn't think about that. That's kind of crazy. Yeah, I didn't think about that. I did see that. I did see about the Panama Canal thing. I did see that 100%. Can I get Pure Wallet if I don't have another wallet or ETH? Yeah, you got to have ETH. You got to have something, Len. You got to like buy ETH and move it over to a wallet. Yeah. It's the only way to account for you buying the tokens. Oh, that's badass. You got a membership. Yeah. Kim Jong-moon. What is the right Pure chain? The blue one? For the Pure Wallet? Yeah, it looks like this. But again, those wallets are on testnet, so don't send any money to the wallets. You want to actually send your money to a like a MetaMask or SafePal right now to then connect to here, right? Or you can connect any wallet really. I mean, you can go to all wallets right here, and there's so many. Trust Wallet. There's so many wallets. Uniswap. I mean, I think people are even using Ledger if they wanted to. XRP is always a good buy. Yeah, it is. and you made a ton of money. If you after the bull run you made a ton of money, you just chill, right? Just chill and yeah. Can Pure Wallet be my first wallet? It's in testnet right now, so you probably want to do like MetaMask first. I'd do like a MetaMask first, and then eventually go over to that one. Yeah, Quambot. Yeah, if you feel it's sketchy, yeah, have teach our own on things, right? I have 3 cold storage. I like Tangem the best. Okay, that's good. I love Tangem. Carry 1 card with me so I can use it anytime. That's good, Sammy. Yeah. You don't have to pay for the app. No, you just have to pay for if you want to use the cold storage, you'll have to buy the cold storage just like anything else. But yeah, you can use it. The app's free. You don't have to pay for the app. No. Wonder from Italy. What's up, Chris? Christopher's in the house here. So Coinbase is a Coinbase is a cold storage and Coinbase Wallet is a hot wallet. Coinbase is an exchange. It's not a cold man. Coinbase is an exchange. It's not a cold storage. No. But Coinbase Wallet is a hot wallet, yes. Meaning hot wallets connected to the internet. Cold storages are wallets that are not connected to the internet. So again, and if you're on an exchange, you don't own your money. So that's the big difference. Yes, that's correct, Daniel. But cold storages would be best. Is Ledger the best? Yeah. Again, are you still able to trade off the Ledger on your phone? As long as your Ledger is plugged in. As long as your Ledger is plugged in, you can. But if your Ledger is not plugged in, you can't. So no, it doesn't need to be. That app doesn't need to be purchased. No, it's free to download. For all the team who lost 5 to 10K, I'm down 360 at the moment and still smiling. I know because the long term game in this one. So yeah, Warsaw knows the long term game. Nah, it looks like a crappy tungsten carbide ring. It's pretty low key. Oh, okay, for the key. Okay, gotcha. Awesome. Is XRP now a good time to buy? I think yeah. I mean, anything right now is. I mean, it hasn't really settled down for XRP. It's still sitting around the 225 marker, but I mean, a lot of people were jumping in. So oh, it's just a black ring. I don't even know. No, but he's saying that they'll take the ring and they'll track you down, I guess. You know what I mean? I don't know. I'm curious since Ethereum's gas fees are high, what would cause them to go down? Just the people not using the network, right? Low people just not using the network right now. If people are selling Ethereum, if the network is like high demand right now, or buying Ethereum that's in high demand. Yeah, open source. That's what open source means. DeepSeek lied about how much operational cost where this is bullish for American tech, AI, and crypto. Yeah, that is good. I wouldn't agree, but it'd take 50K H bar. All right. Austin, how far do you think this could dip? I hope we found a bottom. The whole wallet discussion is worth the time here alone. Yeah, I mean, a lot of people that are new to crypto don't really understand the whole cold storage and the hot wallets. I mean, I took out a poll. What was it, like 2 weeks ago? I put a poll out there, and I think like 65% of the people that were watching me didn't even know what a hot wallet was. So it kind of shocked me a little bit, and because how important they actually are. So, and like I said, Pure Wallet is one of the first wallets coming out that actually it's going to have all in one, and you're going to be able to do offline transaction. I think it's really freaking cool, and plus I worked on it, so. I'm a little biased towards it because I was able to go out to Korea and actually work on the tech, How do you feel about Bonk? I mean, it's probably going to come ripping back. I don't know if there's a wallet out there that accepts PayPal. That's a good question. I don't think that there is. Yes, you can use Coinbase Wallet. Use Real Patriot. The only thing you got to do is you got to copy with the Coinbase wallet, you got to copy the URL, you got to copy the hyperlink and put it in the wallet browser. So you got to go down to the little browser section in Coinbase and copy this in there because that's how Coinbase is. They require you to actually do that. You can't actually click on this and go. You don't want to click on this and then go Coinbase. Like you go Coinbase, it's on here, but they're going to require you to then, when you get there, they're going to actually want you to paste it. Actually pastes it in there for you. So just to skip all that, just paste it in there yourself. Brand new and learned so much here. Thank you. Yeah, no problem, dude. Austin out here calming the whole market. He is the whale as we talk about. Right. Don't forget to move up on the Fibonacci retracement now that we have a new. Yeah, I'm gonna mark that out tomorrow for sure. I haven't even touched it now, dude. I just deleted it because it's all jacked up now, dude. I'll have to mess around with it for sure. We're at a whole new level here. Okay, thank you. Making sense now. Okay, all right, Callie, good. Yeah, tangent ring was interested concept. That's an interesting concept for sure. Oh yeah, if you do H bar, you're gonna have to do like you'll have to either use a hash pack or the hash pack wallet and or the I hear the Tangent does well for H bar. Oh, you think Decent is better one? Okay, just waiting on the news tomorrow, buying on whatever low. Yeah, that's good. Three. You think it's gonna be three by this week? All right. I mean, the entry points I think on XRP are kind of. I mean, we all bought at this 225 marker where it's sitting a little bit above right now. So yeah, I would agree. I didn't think it was gonna hit us this hard either. You know what I mean? I knew we were in for something. We've been talking about it for a while, but this came down hot. This came down hot, hot. You can't. Usually in America, you can't actually move from decentralization. You got to go through a centralized exchange. And some other places like Australia and stuff, you can actually offboard calling. That's called offboarding into your bank account from a wallet. And here you can't do that. Unfortunately, here in America, you can't. I'm on a project that I believe could 100x. Say 100x. How much? Yeah, that's. I mean, 100x is pretty crazy. Coinbase seems pretty damn safe, though. I haven't had any issues yet. Yeah, I mean, from a centralized exchange point, I think they're top tier for sure. They've been around the longest, right? They came out in 2012. They've been here for all the ups and downs. So yeah, Moto A team, what's up? What's up? Did I miss some of your comments? My condolences. No, you're good. Bloodbath coming tomorrow morning. Futures down over 400 points. Yeah, it'll definitely be a hit to the market. Oh, hopefully, crypto got baked in today. That's all I hope for is it got cooked in. Oh, if it skyrocketed, then be able to sell. Depending, fill the fees will be over 200 bucks. That's happened last time. ETH has gone up. I mean, sometimes it's really hard. Sometimes it's ETH is back in the bull run last time, and we were talking $200-300 to sell your ETH. Yeah, everything in Korea was great, bro. Dude, the food, the hospitality, everything. Is Pure Wallet out? I just got the app and it seems functionable. It's not. It's just on. It's on testnet right now, Scott. So don't send any ETH over there. Don't mess around. It's on testnet. Wait till it comes out on mainnet before you mess around. But yeah, it's functional. You can mess around and look at things. But yeah, I'll try to avoid sending things. It won't show up until testnet comes out or until mainnet comes out. SafePal Cold Wallet is a nice air gap, no plugin. That's true. Jeremy, crypto realist, no longer here, but I mean that was his favorite was the SafePal. Pure Wallet, come on, too fast. You're crazy. You know what it is, bro. Oh, Exodus Wallet supports PayPal. I did not know that. I did not know that. Right now, all my money's on Ledger, bro. I just have a Ledger Nano X. That's kind of where I'm at right now for my cold storage. It's been there for a long time. What is the Pure Wallet? Pure Wallet's a pre-sale, Jeanette. We're talking about the pre-sale. There's a pre-sale. This wallet right here. It's coming out. It's called the Pure Wallet token. It's a pre-sale out here. And again, you have to buy it with ETH right now, and the price is going to continue to go up. Here in 12 hours, it's going to go up in price for the token on the pre-sale. And it's just again, you can go here. I put the link above for anyone that wants to look at it. I think you should do your own research. Click on that link, read about what it is and the functionalities of it. It's just there's a lot of new tech for it that's coming to this space that I think is going to help change what a lot of these wallets do in the space. So just something to consider and watch for. That's all. And if you like decentralization and you like to get into that kind of stuff, read what the token's going to do, because that's kind of stuff I like. You are the best explaining crypto to all level investors. This is why your channel just grows. I appreciate you, Sam. Right? I mean, there's a lot of new people in here that don't know these things, and I guess I never really realized that. Austin, let's see here. If you were trading thousands of dollars in crypto, get a cold wallet, 100%, dude. Yeah, a lot of things are getting destroyed. Is there a minimum purchase amount for? No, Christina. There's not a minimum purchase amount for Pure Wallet pre-sale. I bought a few times already. I bought like 200 bucks. I bought like 120 bucks, like a 200 bucks, and I eventually worked my way up to 1,000. And then today I just purchased 5,000 before it goes up in price. Because again, I'm going to be in bed when this thing comes through probably, but we have 12 hours left at the 0.0431, and it's going to go up in price in 12 hours. And so I tried to get the best price I could. Just hold and be patient. Yeah, big time. Bag, dude, bag gagging. Thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Thank you so much, and welcome. And a 10% drop tomorrow. You think so? Another 10% drop? We nearly have Austin to 100,000 subs. Almost. We're almost getting there, which is pretty cool. I appreciate everyone coming in and being here today, and subscribing to the channel. It is pretty awesome. I do not use Tangem. I use Ledger right now. Tomorrow morning is going to be interesting. Hi, awesome. Google Store said there are two Pure Wallets: the Pure Wallet NS Labs Inc. and the Pure Wallet. Yeah, you want to do the NS Labs Inc. NS Lab is the one that the creator of it. NS Labs. Yeah, teach their own. I would agree with you. Yeah, Tangent. People like Tangent. People like Ledger. Yeah, teach your own on it. You know what I mean? 100%. Corey, 18 strong. Heck yeah, bud. You open equals you own your password and the keys. Yes. I again, I don't know the price of it, but I mean, I hope it does well. I mean, that's what you hope, right? And the more, again, this pre-sales out here, the more people buy in, the more the price will go up. And I mean, that's kind of what it is. And you kind of build and build and build, and then eventually, you have a pretty good project coming out. So it's hard to say. It really is. But I know I'm getting right now. I'm getting a good price, so it's like, hey, I'm getting that 4, and this will continue to rise in price, and so that's kind of how I look at it. We're amassing people to create a federation of Austin. This is the beginning of the lore. You're funny. You're funny too. Yeah, Bitcoin's coming back down just a tad bit. Damn, I have to scroll back and see. Fan replied. Let's see here. What? Austin, you can change to the private chat classes. I know, right? YouTube won't let me tip you. It's all good, Bron. It's all good. For those of us that didn't know, can you explain the difference between a candle and the wick? Austin doesn't do private lessons. Yeah, I don't do private lessons. Pure Wallet token says I have to buy more ETH to purchase the Pure Wallet token. Well, just don't max out your token, Papa Kiddos. Don't max it out. If you max it out, you won't, because you got to pay for gas fees. So like, when you do this, you don't want to max out your ETH on it. You have to leave a little bit for the gas. Like I don't want to put max. Like if I hit max, then I won't have enough ETH left over to pay for the gas. So you got to like reduce this down to like 17, and then you'll have to then account for the gas. You get what I'm saying? That's usually what happens with a lot of things. Yeah, thank you, Austin. No problem, Mom Dharma. Moderators are killing it. Yeah, my moderators are awesome. I'll just subscribe newbie to crypto, embracing the vol. Oh yeah, I guess I'm just averaging down. That's kind of what you got to do, Jeremy. Welcome. Sui's good. Yeah, Sui's good. Where's the merch? Thank you, A-Team sirs. Catch you the next time. All right, Slacknor. You're super kind in how you explain this stuff while not making us newbies feel so dumb. That's what I'm here for, man. Daisy, that's what I'm here for. I think that there's a lot of new people in this space, and it's hard to find. When I was new to crypto, it was really hard to find people that would talk plainly to me about all the things that are out there. This space is unforgiving. This space is tough to navigate in, and there's not a lot of people out there that will help you navigate it. Still to this day, there's not a lot of people out there that will help you navigate it. It's hard to find or hard to get your questions answered. And I guess that's kind of I've done things a little bit differently here. I'm not saying that I'm the only one. There's other people out there, I'm sure, that do it. But yeah, that's kind of what I do. But I appreciate those kind words. Thank you so much. Corey. Nobody, who's still calling this a dip and not a crash? I guess it is what it is, right? Dip or crash. Yeah. Hope we just recover. Kate, thanks so much for becoming a new member of the A-Team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Thank you and welcome. You guys with these private dances are wild, dude. You guys think we're already priced in the stock? I hope so, Martin. That's kind of what I'm hoping for. That we've already done it, right? I'm hoping it'll be out on mainnet tomorrow, dude. That's kind of what I'm hoping for. Would be cool if it's out on mainnet tomorrow. Discover the channel today, liking the content and the fact that you keep it pretty non-political. Yeah, we're not gonna. I mean, don't get me wrong. There's a lot of people here who voted for Trump, who voted for Kamala, who, it doesn't matter. We're here to make money and try to find, make our lives better. You know what I mean? And there's nothing we can do or say to change what people are doing, right? Whatever political party is being done, we can't change that. So we can only control with what we can control, and that's where we put our positions in and try to make money. So show us how a cold storage works. There's so many videos out there, dude. That take forever. Austin's the best crypto explainer teacher thingy, and this chat and the Discord is the best thing that I've ever. I appreciate you, Tony, dude. No, you guys are great, man. I appreciate all your kind words. Austin's the mentor. You guys are boosting my head up too much, man. You're gonna pop my head. Oh, you're waiting on the Trump dance of 125? I know. I got to do that for you guys, right? Maybe I'll enter tomorrow doing the Trump dance for you guys. I'll enter. I did say I was going to do that for fun. I hope we're priced in. Yeah, I hope we're priced in too. I know, contrary to Austin, but history says otherwise. And it very well could. I'm just saying I'm hoping, right? You can hope. Whether it's going to happen or not, I don't know, but we can hope. My friend introduced me to you. You're pretty chill, soothing everyone's soul. Keep it up. Oh, I appreciate that, Chill Meow. Thank you so much. What do you think about the double top? I mean, it came down pretty hot. Cold wallets made in China are the best. Okay, Austin, you suck. Corey. You guys are killing me. Austin's Golden Buddha. Oh, man. I know, right, Sergio? I'm with you, dude. What is up with this? You guys are crazy, dude. I don't think I don't know. YouTube has been rocking me with the last hour would load up 100%, dude. Bitcoin 93, good place in order. Yeah, it went down to 91, right? Down to 91 right here, and bounced back up. So Maher, thanks so much for. I think it's Mayor or Maher, one of the two. Mayor, I think I'll say Mayor. Thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Thank you so much. Appreciate that a ton. This wallet is so confusing, dude. What wallet country? We just had a head and shoulder on the BTC 1 minute. Renee, I can't do the 1 minute. That's too stressful. You can't do the 1 minute's too stressful. I can't do 1 minute. You think H bar will drop again? We'll see, man. It dropped down. I mean, it dropped down into the 17s, guys. That's crazy. I never thought that H bar would come down to the 17 again, but that it did. It did. Beyond tariff, Trump threatened war against. Yeah, you're right. You're right, JD. There's a lot out there. Dude, that Trump hair, no way, dude. No one has the Trump hair, dude. Are you seeing resistance at 220? Yeah, there's definitely. We're trying to find a level here on XRP, right? There's definitely some resistance here at the 230. Down here to right around the 214. So we'll try to build somewhere here in the 220 marker. Oh, for the pure thing, yeah. It's just on mainnet, right? Wait for it to get to mainnet. It'll be a lot easier. Thank you, bro. No problem, Chris. Any price predictions for Pure Chain? I don't know, man. It'll come out, be used, and the cool part is that the NS Labs works with the Korean government and the military over there. A lot of them, will have the capabilities of using Pure Chain right away. So, they have their hands in a lot of things. So that's kind of cool part about it. When you're pulling crypto from SafePal, I assume you just put it back into an exchange. Yeah, that's usually when I'm off ramping it. Thank you for all the talks. I feel better after a stressful day. Oh, no problem. Am I saying it right? Is it Mayor? Is it Maher? Am I saying that right? The cold wallet and any cold wallet is confusing at first. Yeah, any wallet. If you're new, any wallet can be confusing as hell. Like 100%. Pure Wallet app is free to download and set up to receive the tokens from the exchanges. I am new. Yeah, all you gotta do, Mom Dharma, and don't do it right now. Wait till you hear that it's on mainnet. But yes, you'll be able to send your tokens over. You can go to Ethereum, and you'll copy your Ethereum address into the Pure Wallet, and you'll be able to send the tokens from there directly over there. So yeah, eventually you'll be able to do that just like any other wallet that's out there. Green morning to everyone. Last time I saw this chat, markets got worse. Good night, y'all. All right, Elliot, take it easy, man. BTC starting to drop again. Yeah, we'll see what happens. We'll continue to monitor to the night. Just kidding, dude. It kind of golden on top. Yeah, I have. It's a little. I'm a little blonde. I'm blonde. It's more blonde. 3K watching, only 1.5. Let's go. Heck yeah. Thank you, Callie. Warsaw looks like Europe is waking up. Yeah, they're waking up to seeing their stuff down. Split the stream and maybe see a doctor. How come Pure Lab Sale is not showing up on the NS Labs website? Well, it's under Pure Wallet. The NS Labs website. Does NS Labs even have a website? I don't know if NS Labs has a website. It shows up on the Pure Chain website. I know that. Don't distract you from the fact that Hector just came into Harry's and ordered 3 My Ledger Nano X won't receive HBAR from Coinbase. Yeah, you gotta. There's a video ender. There's a video out there on how to do that. You could type in like how to transfer it. Unfortunately, HBAR does not interact really well with it. Threw a couple of hundo at the dip. One day it will get better. Yes. But I'm probably gonna be on here for about 1 more minute, guys, because I got a sore throat right now. It's killing me now. It's getting worse and worse from all the talking. So I'm new to crypto and keep my money on Coinbase. Is staking it all there possible or safe? It's you gotta move it off the exchanges if you have a lot. So $5,000 typo. Going to wake up to a massive pump. That's kind of what I'm hoping for, bro. We all bought. Oh my gosh, 1 palm. You're killing me, bro. Austin, can you explain? Can you please go to soccer tomorrow? It's not tomorrow, dude. Volleyball's tomorrow. Hey man, first time subscriber. I'm an XRP XLM holder. On Uphold, should I worry with the dip in the price? We have to monitor it, bro. Yeah, you have to monitor. We'll have to sort of see how this all plays out. But I'm holding long term for these things right now. So tell us 50 XRP buyer. This chat seems strange hearing the wish I bought sold numbers. Yeah, that's what happens, right, Rudy? I mean, some people just got in, so we're all in different trading areas. Sarge, no problem, man. I bought 5,000 more. What I meant, okay. Win Lambo, Adam. Thanks, I feel better. No, I feel fine. I just have a sort of my daughter's been battling sickness all weekend, and then finally I think it hit me today. And China's going to beat us down. We'll see. But yeah, guys, I appreciate everyone coming on here tonight. Thank you guys so much for all the love and support. Appreciate that a ton. Thank you guys for all the questions, even with the Pure Wallet out there. If you guys have any questions, feel free to DM me on X if you needed to. So with all that, I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your night. Make sure you guys throw those dudes up in the chat. This is a late night stream. Thank you guys so much. We'll continue to monitor this tomorrow. I'll see you guys tomorrow at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time for the morning stream. And with all that, thank you guys so much. Love you guys a ton. Peace. We're out.